ye ba be peke eye otumfo achempem jase abontin domhene nana apia fosu hene eye diabo of eye kumase aboa kwa ye be peke de sisi na enkomo anana wo no odi atudwa na bibia so atimi ayekama aha na bibia he will be the right person ebusua panyina yetuni menhia na wosenko tuno ada ebusuafo no ana na wosenko mutuno na nan ne betumi anya abotra chechie mu amamre ne amane mu na mehye wo say ye peke na nan ne kai ne hu say whatever response and another airban or the amamre ne amane free menhia na eba enye ukuru amamre ne amane so whatever Nana is going to say when he ho so when he ho the emotions to abontin enye wo feelings na wo be satisfy or the amamre ne amane na you guys are calling for no they be answer eye menhia na wo so tu abusua pani ana se abusuanfo no na wo so mutu abusuapanya ade so mesre you feelings e mekasa na nan wo ka bia ma we ana se na wo ka bia ma we gine to nchen ne ti amamre kwan so what is right yeah picking na bibia ti me come okay Babemfa minia sabato entu achi na sabato bejina achi na da ye ne na di nkomo wi ana koma sabato me pick sabato ma pick obarama ama ma pick obarama ma pick wa ama all right Babebe nana ye mo akwa bo
Joso minia
dada ye joso pa na ene Ghana men nyina so enya abotra ye ba betie wo and me from the very day ye do see so say ayo tumfo a champion jase abontedom hede no I was very excited because uyo obia dana una abeti mebunu no ase na eba nkomo bi say ya watimi do anu atuntu because wo no de obeti ase bebre na watimi atietie bi unya mere bia na de wo se efiri manhia na etie no ya titimi de mi hu so mo de wadi akodwa no na medije ye pa na apia ye mo akwa babiem enkomo na I'm sure so watiti bia yes abusua pani hu komo bi si yetunade so yetunade so kakra be na betimi aka afa ho minia
yo minia beda wase ene akwenya kakra a odi ama me se me nso mmekire ma adwene na ene no minia for team A ana se team B na nkabom ne yere ye hwehwe ewiase no yesi abo bi benya wa efurodi ai
wa utumamu aha
na dem pese me kan se aba ententan so se yenua be ma wotwa ne ni ahwe dan lumba na busua pani wantoto lumba eye echiye ama wantwi bebre yere eba na dem pese me kan se yenkwa ha se abusua pani ya di abusua pani siso abusua pani una kuhwe fie entutu bia ba ana awunyenya bia ba wo sa pani ne yere ya ba wanim erbeto wanim although wo abrewati ane ne nkeka wona abrewa wo fie ba abrewa de wonum so odu ni stage bia ene no me na obetimi ya de edi akire nti na edi nti wo no ba abusua pani nso ba ujino ma asundue abusua no betu mpon abusua no be nyam na ni na yere efuru ho abusua no begu ase efuru wo abusua pani no ena abusua no nso benya sabi edin papa efuru wo abusua pani no na ma twa ade kakra na me de maso ate ade kakra ehun se lumba abusua pani ase odi wantwi kakra aba lumba abusua nim which is amamfo ginejira nchen obi e kan de ene de edesumbo obo manhia edesumbo ebobo nyimfu bebre ene sabi atra
na we de mi ntwa no but before na memo ato aso no to clarify this enkoma na ADA enye emani bi enu se odobro ni akosu ase wase we ya busua asem komo no ni ADA something that relates to the family nti no mo amutie no mo nhye ne so na metie opa
na dia ko ene se epa no mo de sumbo obo manhia achiame ene info ni ekata manhia kra ene de
manhia ne den
manhia ne de manhia nye sabi ukuro mu nyino ena manhia enye sabi ba bia ubetimi de wano akwakoso wonom etwa abo manhia sa manhia pesanka Ghana ye fre your president Jubilee House me pa so one me ya nfa kasa benhia asante oman a ede no ho nti ye kasa benhia kura na ye Jubilee House a ye asante ye den ye ho so wuti sabi asantemam na anasa wo ya asanteni anakani no di menhia tempra na ye se de wo to aboba keke abodan enko bia na mom unsura na waye den wabia ni na ebia wo se achiame say mato ato bomba bo achiame wo se achiame wuye say ana achiame yemfo no wuye say so wonya didi menhia tama unka hwe na yehwe bibi wa ha lumba busu apani ekukura no onya issue a efie mu penfo no ba bia mbetimi de na koye pa akoso enyine wo ono na sebi otumfo eyiyi ama yin bebre eya administration te obia de krokro we ya no enti se asemba kro yemfa no asemba bia bi te se tapa untimi sa tapa nyino emma menhia o be pede wo tinsi tapa kokon sebi o prime minister ye ka prime minister on ne tapa o because ono no otumfo yi ne se wo se wonye de wonda tapa no me nua me nim pede make no ne me ye clear
me to pa na se menhia no kra de e woni ye te se Jubilee House
na and then maburu no ye most of them ancient history into munum de ya na sebi o omoka so menhia et se Jubilee House ubako wa na chese asem no ma ede ai she na se yemfan se yemle lumba no matter how oni abusuapani ntamonye no nipa wu a etese kura na wantwi bia is close ntwi ko wantwi bia me sign nipa ni wo no cause by the end of the day kan unu se nipa no wo na chi apepa ya kan se ye bakwa akokora no na ya pepa na chi ni kwan kakra na asemi ba yi matesa nkrofobia tetim ebisi omo otim A ebisi omo otim B ekosi say that A team B no mo de yeden na mo de B kura na mo se mo de ko ama sabio oba A oba B a menhia ni hwiwom menhia ni chefa bia amonfo bebre asende record na bremia bi kase sebi o madi asante unwamo asante bay udi asante unwamo se o maye den onu na me kan obusu asem ma ye
eka nana ebini muso che se de lumba esiye kesiye yi no enu nti na wose nka benhia de na ho agi nsem yi za na ebini mu che
okay ewo no obi aka omo ye wrong bi sam sade
nana ade dia
ebe ye kesiye no wane kesiye ama sebi menhia nko oye ma Ghana man nti ni ye mu kura no aka aban no na wosan ko man state barrier
aban so ama ne state barrier bia
no na enyoma bebre wo a eya na ya santefo no to sini kakra ye nsua de this time ye nsua de pa manfo say lumba ye this yenti yenkosie no oban mu ye ka ban kra mu a ene de
eno so ne de na ebi mo ka se de lumba ye kese wo se ka menhia kra esie no oban mu ni ade ebi mo ka pa na menhia esie ne ban mu ni those conversations
lumba ne obi a wo se esie ne ban mu e chire mu enipa yetimi sie ne ban mu ye sebi ahemfo abrempon akese yenhwe ye papa ana ye nana otumfo se adjumai prempa o deserve e ban mu ye nana opoku ware o deserve e ban mu
na se won ti akonya so dia basically yetimi si over
dabi na akonya so fo kra na ne obia na ye kosie ne ban mu ye wo particular adehye yeah ye wo adehye fo e cemetery wo ho e ya na wo ekuro na omufiri mu no so wu a ye do ba kwa to separate cemetery ye adehye fo eno your friend adehye fo cemetery eno ye different from sabi normal people yeah in na masasi so
na say we man hene mpokura no a enye man hene bia keke ne de ne ko ho patience
if you want to verify the word baima a bamu ye sebi anyemfo atitiriw
pa
ye do omokoto na baby obetimi dia obetimi dia hu se si obo finalize say aye bamu ye eye bremai
I see bremai bamu yeah
bremai bamu
minim ho
your friend e bamu
na ho kra na we dia mi ntwa no we dia mi echi bibi nhyem na mi nya bremai bamu say ana jata statue bi bi si sa bamu ho na yesi sa jata no edura na do a dwamu no a eye opposite no anadu yesi ya na wo mo ani ni timi chese jata ni timi dane something real or nam dwani mu ebi mu akọwe safo mo brema timi ka na eye no kora sa se hunhu mu ti physical sa
sabi yana nanom ade bi omudi gina wo ma asante bia no e wo the meaning e wo effect e wo de eye bia so wo so otumfo ablafo e de sekan yesi ya in spiritual no onum de oye
enye kwa
entitem bia no eya mo right the only issue I want to say mo me research nim sua de ye nim a ye nananom pedifo nyemu so mo no mo kire ye na me nua ken me pese me kala de bi na se bi ye maburu fo ne wo so na no ye ntwa de bi wa na obi amfa ni tu ento kom na wantwi na ekoso no eso nte hwe ense se obi atena wo ma sebi lumba ebusu pani e convince no ana confuse no eye se sebi otumfo yewura achiame ene betime tu na free ade so bi da eni was obwa
enye mention na wo se tu busu pani ade so
da bi won ehene won so nkyere sebi yewura
I see
me tu we yewura betime tu made so obetimi because we swaye although na yewura tu kwan but oyi obisi wo say mi swan ma no se otumfo wuro ne namu mpaboa de mo obi a etese de wo swan aye den
atire
wo ntimi otumfo yewura ebetimi etumade so apart from no obi enu na me ka sembi de ma wo fra me so opese ototo ma no ama ma buku mitin say yame adawo ma me ye otumfo achampem jasen abonte dom nyene ye ka abonte dom nyene mina mi da asante dom ni nina no eba entokwa eni ade a mira ana me wofa nimpon a ye frɛ no na na champem nyene wanya no ba bi ko na de obeba besi na na mu nso ye me wofa prekope yewura
nese abonte dom hi de nese ne wakonwa de na wodi adi social media de nyina because abonte dom de dom ni nyina wa na ade nyina no this conversation, you are really the right person that was here to talk because abonti dom de nkomo yin so da abontin. Na stretch hanema ye kakra. Na wo ka bibi se abusha panyin kwasa asem na wodi na ho no na wo chiemu san because abusha panyin wo fans pa o.
Our fans no e do no an nchen na ndru menhie ndru ba bia.
Na kwasa asem na wo chese na wodi yi.
Sabi minka se kwasa asem ba me kire se nsem hunu.
Ensem hunu okay. Oh my God.
Sebi eya busua eni mampedifo ne tenase ena obo ye se ombe fa wadwene na ya abusua pani no ayede wabeda ye na ya no na ku bi si abusua no ma ono ne the right person obetwitwa agye na odi ye ma otu bi se bla betena abusua no mu odi ho ba asafo hene ena wo ye de ope ena wo fa kotikwan bi so egu abusua n'anim ase abusua bi anu asebi opese n'anim gu ase ena abusua na tenase hu se sebi amamle ene amane e wo se anka afa so e de gi abusua na enu na wo ye den afa so enti dia be ne se omo ma ne time se omo hwe se abusua pani e be se na adwena up to now me prob ye neutral person me hu se dia abusua pani ye no je se e ye no gwase ma de wo asanteman na emom je se menhie ni hu se bia sebi menhie ni hu se bia na abusua pani anka wo tehie wu e na wo san ka ye no okowuto obi man so meka so obi man so e kire sai okowuto akra e asanteman asante man enti se wako wato obi manso de na be wobekọ ye amamle ne amane na wode sebio lumba Charles Kwadwo so ayere apa santememu point me anyani na yewura kora wantimi ankoyere ankobo na mane na hwade bi wa abusua pani on o deserve so mutu na de so wose o ba be ye Charles Kwadwo so eyi ni ye mutu no adana wode ne ba na ono na esie se woda eyi adaka mu no ne wo se ko de ne ko se kwakoso o se hemfa na ofiri no ode ne ko no de ne ko twekro no na ehia don
na so ka ma mere no ho
o waka ho
na di nti na wose lumba nko obde ne ko twa ba akoso ho hia ansa na o makozie
e kire se woni eyi oman no ana edi
na ofiri mu aye ne sa na seti tire nko a na ye wo mo sa
mostly no se titi bi wu a ye ne sa na se mostly obi ko wu to akwantifia
okay obi wu wo obi ma so a na ye ya na ye sa
ye mu no o de ba oman nim na munya mrema no na mo de na to adaka nim na efiri kura wo firi mu no mo de be kom ba before some de be kom no mo hwe na oye titi udi a amanfo na ni sa no ti mo de be twekro no na ye dai ehia na wono o madinkra ama o mo baabai na ofie nya awrekekere batabusu apani no enne ne kura na make asem we ya nka woni mo wanye ni na
ye hu bibia sa
enti aga ni ye mu kura ne fe no wo se wo de ni de ma yewura ka ne fe no nko onhwa de bi ko amfana nko sabi ni kuro free sukura na ka menhia ayembobo ano da ho unfa ndo menhia inside o ka fa ne fa ayembobo ano na oni ye nama anka ni ye mu no spiritual realm no oni ni dinkra ne nye fe na nka yewura munye tu went me anye we na enti yewura wo expect say onu na betime tu ade so no ene de ye adwini bi ene oba ato sabio yewura anase yewura hwefo na atrim na so obema yewura ni magu asede a yemusa ne yentwe yempe
etina na wo ni se de abusua pani ye no ogum ani ase ogum anhia ni mu ase ho
ogum anhia ni mu ase etie na ayi abusua pani edigina so se yewura na wo so tu na de anya bia wo be so akire yewura abusua pani kura wonsan emampani for na pointel I say election no the pointel yes yemfa ebia na naken one owen monyam obetumi di abusua nanim sabi meja owo be ba asase we so oya abusua pani no fa ye awaso nyene e wo jaache na abusua pani no di mane ye fe enti muze abusua pani we yes a na ye me ya abusua pani nka wo bra na eyiye mu nsam wo betoto wa hwe Charles Kwadwo fosu eyiye bi eye man sabi opambo your friend say Bible say opam bibi enwo ra won faso sene no
na ye bebe ye ne so because na why abontin dom nyina hene ne de you are the right person and all these questions are Ghanaian you to know one you will answer it in the name of Menshia for the whole Ghana. It is very good to have you here. Now Ghana for SB Musa say mo ye benchie na say wo na oda asanteman before internet be ba nyina na abontin dom de wo da abontin dom nyina anu na wahu say we ni we nko ye na busua pani ye why don't you call him to order and then nananans emfa krata bi mra abontin say busua pani ye frew ade a wo ye egu asanteman mu ase na mo hwe no man na wana wo ka wo so ogu menhia ni mu ase ade na mo hwe no no ogu menhia ni mu ase na mo mfrɛ to order if said ye wo ye ni gu mani mu ase
minu ameda wase de kro na wo no ade kakra ma woni so obi ade mitumi ye de open na de akoyen say be almost 1 month ni e na yewura e frɛ nyimfo ni bi e ma o mbesunsuan na o ma ye na ye warning opeso kwaji na home especially or to sa strong warning we yama jasefo ene achiamefo say complain asem si na o maba na o mabedi konkonsa akere no omun also for now no nkwaje na home no wabre minim so share video na
me hwe na me hwe na se ya na my busy kakra
ndi se sia me no kasa de yewura nana we bom mu asema onam your friend say akontum kakra wo yede
oji na home
because eduma na okuta na nye sebi eduma keto bi asa akokra also no so pe baby na eja otintini ni mpom na okode tunye to na sumi enso ma no sebio eso ne da ye pa na oni wa ye won krofo bebre ya o musi na na mu ebi te se hwan bante mahene e wo tumi se asem bi ba obetimi atena na na mu na waka te se de odikadie no na ye hemfo ne toro bi na sini ton kakra bi nipa bi na ye mfonso e wo yero e ka asem bi se asem ba minimu na na tena mu ka nenso wanju bi ba na mu na makɔhye sumase na me na moja agu mi so na me de ne eya me se ye na nanom ati se me no mo som no asem ba omu hye awode wo mu ene ensa ye wurade to wo mutiri so no mo matumi bi mawuro mu mu no mo solve asem no episode de se bi anka ye wurate akona so a wo solve no na ye wura nso te ba bi o wa ne ni aye ne de na abusua pani yam friend no yama ebia mpenifo ntimi friend ne se oni Lumba issue no the right person is also holding responsibility pakos so hene because se pakos so hene holding wie na asem ni mo odea na oye nyamena asem bebre a na pakos so hene betimi aba menhia no abesaman no menhia de onaduru odea na kyese akotumi hene wo tumi na eru a na akọ no onu suso mudi a edro bia nka de
na se nka we ne ba ko so hine na was calling into order na nti na se na wuchie mu amagana fo ate ase a die dia mensia nto ne nsamfen mensia kwa ete se amambu ase fa se Ghana Parliament offices no obi a wode wo ye Ministry of Information, Ministry of Communication, Ministry of Transport, Ministry of there ti na wuchie mu a the person and the ministry is ankomo we nketimi fall to air ba ko so ne ono na was call it busha penning to order enye mensia ni nyina
David na say asem ikra me ne ekoye no because of ohwa abusua pani ohwa ma wan fa ni de bebre ama seb nana no mo enti to mre bi ya yewra e ka say obi a ntwe no mfiri ho nana no ntwe mo mfiri ho menim se video no so ohwa ya
me hwe no so eja na my busy kakra
so ko menhia kra ne yewra busa ne say okoye no edi entotoye no watimi akoye o se yewra kofo wakose no yewra mahama wakose no ukosi omo a obese no wa meseme nso na tumi na ekuta me enti se wo san mi kokromoti we hu ebopode a won fa ni dia ne dai ama me na yenhwa de bu a Lumba a legend what de kura na Lumba wo ye legend a wo ye legend se na Santeman
eno de no kura Santeman de so ene di kan ye nyina efiri mu Lumba so
Lumba ye legend o no ye legend o ye legend se na Santeman
eno de na no kura Santeman de di kan wo bibia mu ni wase wo ho sa
no say Lumba enya sebio enije bebre nsina Santeman wo wokọ enti Santeman nim gu ase na Lumba enya tumi nsina Santeman youth na ya ba ne yenhwe bibiye enti yenti no onom na Lumba wo we ya wawi ensa Santeman sebi yetumi yekuta debida unta Santeman youth no yakoso ache ya yama ya yeni no atre yeni ntom etoro timi etwefon na meteta o mani nka na meteta o na mehwe se omo egu asante anu ase na no e wa ha youth no ya wura no bi ya wura o ni sho mo sa na emesere adai asa mu pasa mu swan tokwa e ma asante hene ha confession ebe na first na me ka sese bi asante won tan ena other tribe no ne yeko afeni mo se asante youth no some of you muna mo pento kwamaye muna mo hwento kwamaye eyama mahuni ni na yewura nso asobete enye other tribe ni bia yesi abo bi beka wa me se ka bi mefiri untumam
na ebinom so ka say me de me wa ha say me totoa no na nsem a Ghana fo bi so musa wo mo se wo mo ata wo mo acha hwemanhia ni mo amanhia nkasa. And fortunately having you here as the Abontindom hene no Ghana fo nsem musa ni gina no me wa ha say me de me hwe ne mebusa ama wo. Na ebinom so ebusa say ma me hwe question yi. Ebinom busa say Asantes are disgraced because of the Ebusuapeni to compare Asante to Ga. Was he Ebusuapeni Jina baby says or compare Asante to Ga was a dear and no Asante anymore as I said the comparison of just the Ga manche whom Komobi swab a franco moniwa. A bit more chess Ga manche said you also show Ebusuapeni Musuma Nungwa traditional area no. Emo mutimi esen komo koma handle Ebusuapeni na so mko man kotono. The decision the government took through the Nungwa traditional area says we born homodins in menhia san a bit more kekanya jade and a bit more chance that decision the menhia waited till the Ga traditional area no took no and mani gu asante mo ni mo said the ntini ye tena wa ma Ga traditional area ebe take a decision. The youth of Asante no have been waiting for senka enkoye menhia na was in koteki se okorhwe eye busuapanyi na woche ne se luma no kra wusie ne dey nti na wase twan ma eye the Ga people no dey take this decision na no so come because mebru ne buafu ho ba so mo feel say I say Ga manche koma wo mo but wo ma wo die mu no is not fighting for them. What about that, Nana?
The person can say, this is the time Asante for what say you be in a union, your so a nation. The Gamanche, as of now, most of what can now maintain in Pukran, the Gamanche, I open way. A Bema need this year for an him for Bako, no Makutu, Lumber Funu, a free for Grana, and no, sebi. Ode, and not to Asante, mine. Enyem for one enye ene say Gamanche asase so ena asase na lumba da so nkra me ne sure say Gamanche asase so Ghana ewoye the Nungwa traditional area and e wono eka the Ga Adangme as a whole no a won no the Ga Adangme no eka mo a e wono ye ayete say nanka Asantema ye first basis sumankwa akonwa Omunu susuma nkwano and Obi kind of comment section and said King they didn't go there to manhandle him or something like that. I watched the video and these traditional elders they went there to look for Busuapeni to give him a letter. Nipa na no only deny almost Busuapeni the won't come rather for. They were pressuring say even Abofran put the wolf you on the letter of which that was not necessary because Open source serve a letter to somebody then the panel you want the said you're yet available next to take the letter no else you want. You do not suggest to send the informal approve you. As I never pressure. That is why I use that word, not like someone conjuring and I said, I wanted to explain myself in a way. So I said, what should be done? Person would deliver a letter, no, a portrait to say anger, be no, the Japanese. Because when he went there and he was not there, you're supposed to go back and come another day. But they were insisting, what your old video near and about Frakra and the Banu and I'm on letter, man, which I cried it. And that's evidence, Ben, that just I cried your letter. Now, what would you have party? Everything I'm using that statement, and this is what is currently going on. It's another Ethiopia about the comparison of the Ga traditional. Jam brother me try and say, Gamanche, hene. Decision now take here no. E said Ghana, manu asem any de da mo bodema that the lumba say enye se bin kan is legon na what see no. Na what see be see no wo krom. And no be na to ni trim no say there be. Yeah, me man for can and no what say me hwe na me ye dey. Eye mo and no doesn't mean say why ya dias ne sabi. Ye na na no mo menhia there be da. Na mum na sase so wo de emfa say wo de nkran na ye Gamanche asase a. Na se lumba baba beto a. Anya bia Ebusuapeni no. Yen hwa de bi wa otimi kokon hu Gamanche say o ka kire no. Yen fa amamle ene amane ngu fom. Abi kura wa. It is a Gamanche achro letter. Edi akofio.
Enye ono na choi na emom chu eye the Nungwa traditional area no na choi.
The Nungwa traditional area for kra achro no mo de akọ. Na so man kwa nkoto Ebusuapeni a. The only thing I want me and say, find a way to see the Ebusuapeni. No must have letter. Almost 7 na. I want better to know. Ebusan say, "You to me, krata." Let the man say, Jensi lumba ewo Islegon ni fi wonum akono na ebi ombe bi o ma no aka se that lumba chro ewo well mun say owu a yensie no wo ebia sebi ni fi wonum wo Islegon wo de menu ayen hwade do a wo hwa abrochire kura abrochire ye Ghana for no ebi mu ba no mba be wu to akura na ebi timi take decision say mesramo bi wu a munya me dey munse mu abrochire mu a mama mfa me nko Ghana
Baby, yes, so more about you, yeah,
and no doesn't mean say lumba and I say any panel cast has no edition Yamisi no Ghana no and more baby. But it depends on Nippon the world no the best two. So it's minia, dear me and Yami. I'm a boy want to domine the person catch a Ghana phone, especially as on the phone say, Opian can come Antonium. And Papa Yaku Yentimi Kumi said. But you win your issue, I was say, yet a bit fra said Mensia. Debbie, so, Omian Lumba issue way, and your name a bush your mass moon. Brother, a ye lumba name a bush your mass, you rap at Yame. Help, as some way, and fun will be no more to one of them, and I'm disappointed. Send me yes, Antony, I'm disappointed. Send me away, and a ye thing. As something, a bee would never be back. Tini yesi ukuma pema pemere. Ebeba. Eti omo bia enye so disappoint. Unye focus. Na se other tribes na attack ye no. Yomo mo di nyindi omo so nkunim. Ti se de tebi o Gold Coast pens no. Ye na nanom konfanochi obri ebo amo eni se bi se adema prempem no. Omo ti di nkunim ma santman gina ma samre minu mienu. Ye di ensesi ebo se asantman. Oh,
Nana, before I met Jawa Mwakono, obisi mi musa o say, or person would think so say, I wish you penny ne wrong spa, ne bonnet pa, wadi. Because that will catch will go as and many mass, and the obisi mi musa said, I wish you penny the bonnet pa, wadi, ne wrong pa, and it's.
I wish you penny, dear Sabianka Wadaruma. Asam Yamasam. But if you are an assassin, so follow I'll be pointing your finger to Menchiano. Not just a open sword for some year about. But I was your penny so busy alone by your own see any you, and you're only between or no nebusium. But yeah, my yes, no disappoint. I was said, I was your penny who said, only Yura said to Eddie free that issue with him. You say to today, Mamma. Ah, you say, oh, say, a penny. Also, Afnem. Upon so was so beam,
On so.
Also, what the end said, yes, said you. Kayena, yet one. Yes, you wish a penny. You won't say, oh, and Munyam. Also, fata. It's a new lady, a busian. Now, what? No busian be there and why what to try my apart from no. You know, my dear, what's it? And how would you ready here? The best I issue him into 1 year. As some influ or mobus or some cry. Now won't be lit Nassam. Say yes, walk can tamo, see us walk can deo, and Tambua, Sabia Yane and Tamu, and then Tambua. What a pimswa and ye, and Sabio, only you run free. That you been ya a bishop penny woman, she are the type of issue our woman and no better ama sabi menshia ato and safreno but for now no dear only no infirmenchiam na yini na mesramo e ma obia kasentia achia menene ne sabi na chita afro esa na mo ma sampu yellow esa na yellow uche na asem bi hawa pensuo bi na nom kakra na jojobo na minsembre pemono ibi abeye some Yura, at my kutam the net market. Ghana na one so good issue, but consent some and you may be tribal distant. Civil war, a person pepe na Yura ne curriculum. All try say as we do back. Now we in some of our numbers a doom nijo. I said, more hammer. You must say, Mumian Bro. Now it's your penny, you know. Submit. Obi to send me, I mean, me pay attention to Lumba issue we bebre ama effect aba menhia ho a. Tina obi bi na dwene ho. E yo bi abusua ma asem. Na wo kwa sabi ukope de wo. Obi abusua ma asem. Ukope de wo. And the moment social media no e lead ye. And the konkonsa. Ukoye dey e wo busu lumba abusua se mu. The lumba e form of mine which is a santimaya. What's a be unum yansansene achiami o. Achiami nim di obeye. If it's saying a bit person much less so many yansansene 7. Achiami.
Yeah.
What you saying ye? What I bet you the achiami ye. There be. It's be me.
It is na kura no. Now, so this issue air cost of the day. What you can say is under the jurisdiction of air back here. If you change the crack no, this issue that we shouldn't expect set Nigeria as a whole now no air to me. So we did not bet tomorrow. To say a year back here. But if you don't change say back here in Sweden, we shall pay you a problem. It's not a bit more just say we shall pay you one day back here a problem. I don't know whether that is true or not. But it truly say we shall pay you back here a problem. Then we cannot expect to say possibly back here bet me a very because ebia bibi to any we shall pay you a problem. And if that happens, then we don't have any other jurisdiction. I will bet me afraid whether what he is doing is right or whatever he's doing is wrong. It's a conversation that a lot of Asantes from both sides they think there was a mention that Obia whatever size A or side B or Obia has a mention that the between I final. This issue no, but also end me up on announcement. And there any jurisdiction a bit me than what mama said no
Minia, Sametwasia. If you say, see another over to Nakunaswa. Won't come to me, Kasa, to me straight. Now, or counsel, beyond me. There was a Pacoso in a yen say. I was say, Bishop Penny Cranen was some. Or didn't Nancy from no command. Pacoso in any of Bishop Penny when I want to me walk more. Miriam is child.
Nana Chim.
Pacoso in it. And this a ocean or pretty difficult one. No, I hope I would be free in Cacrebia. Some I know, Emma Yura. But without say what on Samano, or not to be funny pet, and Famencia, India Kunyaba, and na Yura and a bit near to me, na Yura and a bay say, na Yura is all, will be some penny one time.
And I wish a penny back can be beside such a tomb for it, you know.
I met a bibisa, also bibasa. So I see, Yura, said to, and a bit me to know. And not in a Mibusa said, nah, Obi Champagne and Abia was swine, and were you ready, man?
Oh,
last year. Me patcho minim say they make an automasia.
Matthias here.
Inside. Enti enti na odi yewura. Na tese me hu say Champagne okoka ntokwa na abeka euro.
So na say no eno a okoka ene so ka obi nti na ma a lot of expectation on mentia na right this ado.
Enti I bring amount for tension say.
Any mentia enkotu no. I see. I feel the Martin say na say.
Na sabi mi abontre dom yin o say me to me yese say mo pese me gya ya mo pobusa na na apia foso yin gi abo
na say what did you dem say na apia foso gi abo ni hu bi
e che chiri what ya say enti sami o mana e kokko so no e fire chi na ekọ youth mi gina yewura na say tutu anam mo Embra boko na sebi yatamfofo obutie de muke no by the time am be realize akon awie no na o musa gina chire esremo efe enefe timinia te obi wo epese oforo so no obebusa question a met me answer 1 or 2 3 bi na me
but the one mbe so obebusa questions no yeah pick about six people you know bet me up yeah you know what about them no the nana answers you now
before say your question no so no obi put some question na enu me answer the better baby answer
but so they say our friends na dey wait so I dey say dey work for
Nana me pacho wa daoma. Na me pe say ebusua pa ayi
Maintaining
Queen, o kasa na ti ni yakra.
oh okay me pa cho nana wada o ma no me pese me bisa say lumba ni nia ba ne ka ma ne kokodu ahemfie ekodu ahemfie no foko na omotena asem no so no eniema bi wo ho no ma nche ebi say nana no eji ademudie enu nti na ama sebi o omu hu say ebi omu ba wo mu die mu no anye wo mo no saa na me pa cho me sumi hu no wada wo ma
Ase ya se pa na edwin se wo nsem bi sa but nya se bisa.
Uboso na ne kasa no.
Ne kasa no efiri ono no ho mfiri ha. Ayi ye mo akwa ba.
Ya nua.
Yeti o. Na ima.
Kakra nana adama kakra me di asem ye chi kakra se me fun so no nana me sro no correct me kakra. Asem no ekọ menhia no. Menhia nya ne sa. O direct o mu ko faku na o mu free mu no. Nana no mpenifo etena ase. Ekupo chiame etimu bi. Te be yanka edi yie ebeto de yie eda. Omuye o mafamu de. Omuye bibie wo so omuye because ye mu bi so di ade na chi wo social media na so. Because ne nkrofo no bibie o mbekọ ebekọ ba bia no mafa bloggers edi akire. System le bebre be to abonten omukọ omuba nyina omuba omba ya update. Omutra se omuka ye de nhihye ye to akwa mu ka se otumfo kwa ka se munye ne efisem na munka na jese munkokoka na ntiase anya adwuma na ka bibia yefa yi antu de yi da minim se nana minim se otumfo eyi nkofo ka asem wa ete se de ono atena mu aye den akasa eti se yewra etimi apa nkrofo bi se mukona munkoka na nkrofo na aka ehye date aka bibia na ntiase ye adwuma oda ma me de eka me nko a se date mi kwa mo hye na wo gitu mu no se nka umpeso bagi atumu a wo sa akọ wo ma ho ka se moda ma ho de date na me gitu mi ko tena ase dwene ho no emwa me na mum ye ntina social media so na ye ka se ye mpene esa na se de nti a mimi hu ni se omu de asafoforo komanhia menhia fi wo mo ni se ayeso oboni ni dia ye de ma ye nananom no anko yi wo anko ye nti no to me no abusua pani no wo mu se wafom wo ba bi die nanso no wamfani nan susu ensi ho asabusua pani a na ka eniema echia edu da bi enye nsem nyina na wo se ye horo ye ntoma wa bonten eniti no nana otumfo pao ofeko ni se omunkoka na ka yenka ne fisem na ka entina fie na nye se abonten sofo nyina abete asem no enti no mimi de mi hu ni se se me mafuma nana mi se obetima correct me hu ni se abusua pani no ontumra onye wafum wo kwan bi so de but nye bebre za enkodrum pepe so se matu wafrade so emra pa koso hene ewo ho me feel se pa koso hene am se de nti a me kakra me te ye ne se de nti a
na ma be sure ye de ntem na obi nsu ntumi
okay ma me last one kakra me se
nana ma me pese me hu se wo busa question na say
o kasa because ye hu question
o the last one I make an say misramu kakra me hu ni se o ka se adiso tumfo ne ye because o em sentam kese da ho nti no pakoso hene enti me friend sa na me madwene ye me se nti sa me sra correct me that's it
yeah that's pa agi yeah that's so nana ima aka bebre but me hu question na ewo enkomodi mu no me dim se na what e de wo kana se
na me ni baby kakra bi nye I said, Nana in my buy, me the me neutral. Me need team A, any team B. But Ken, say, Opa Mamre Mao, a bushia penny. Unim say, one need lumba, Emianum. I was as well so. Or no man didn't you. Me, Sabi, Metia Conyaso, mint me fat and drawn a day, and Cassa. A bushia penny on. Where they are brought papa. Na senya na nka busuapani na te sabi asantemama. Sabi ni anka ebebo. Kabebo. Second, utwoi na sabi unua bi afrim. Ni achechire wo sabo wachi. Say ye ma wo nkohu baabi a unua ne da wo mochire. Anasa baabi a unua ne da. Ken, say na obesi afili.
Na me TBB say busuapani so say omu ne mbusa no wo mabusa nko achire.
Oh, second, obi kasa ebisi na ehun say sabi ade o de betwitwa age no de obeye because obi enue frima the person ne ba baby kura wawu na obebusa ye ehimfa na menua no mochire ba ne de nkoto ye na wa tira kwan o twa a wo busa ade kro am yakoye no postmortem am yakye ekun no but me sure say ebusiapani kura no ebi omo sa chance ni na. Let me tell you something. Ebusiapani ko feel so as I say. Ade awoye is a bullying. Are bullying? Tabi over there busiama yen treaty adeshifones yen treaty o mosa.
I see.
Bullying. What you have here? And that's me ye won yin nti me see me what team A team B pa ba bia no preda no ye beto. What bully that the lumba enuanom. What do men din ye?
I see. Owo ahene me pick you about o network enye. Owo ahene me pick you about o network no enye. Owo ahene ma try about o network enye. Enti de mefa eye obi foforo. Me fa eye comfort. Me fa eye comfort. Na onu so na network no okay aba.
Oh, ba minia. Nana, wakasa ma mi huni amenka aye mini suo. Esan se. Steady e ka se team A o team B no. Ni nyina no waka be udam fimfiri aka ne pepepe. Na ye nyina no sabi efia ye firi mu empanifo ana se adehia na obi ewuda aye nim hawa ye yefa. Na sabita fracture opani eye abusuapani oni abusua na ani ni yie said na wo busa ye brother yi se odehia ben ana se unua ben na wawu na abusuafo na omo ye chochomucho obi amfo na ani ehunu enti ye stress nana enya se mesro ba me de ka asem se edie na ko so abusuapani ye zipu wano na yama utumi ewo abontensofo ama utumi se be yentitrasem na fakata so na brabra so na mabusiani bi ehu bode no
comfort oni bibi
papa me ba
issue na obi be ka se ye you know party
me pa chese se me kra na me wo fa me ehunu ni me ehunu obi ehunu enu ho asante na wo frɛ na na se o me ya no me ametie makase ti asante by na be kasa ye no me kase ti asante biem enti na ma me be kasa no because me ya chimuni what you say me fra chima pedwa but dia me kan say ye ka bo ma ye ka na kanfo what him say esanse dia busuapani ye no me nim so e man panifo ana echu so se dia na kan ye no ni ye so onipa we ne hojo oye ofi ha say not ye man na busuapani kofi wusu by internet no so by internet no so say oba internet no so say se otumfo ana betumi atunu wuso enye otumfo na edu bedi abusuapani enta ye sa na wo de otumfo animu twitwi fom na ma ye nyina ye kasetia what you say enti abusuapani no
na se wo pa so de na wo ka wo be kasetia menjia na aka ho
wo se me ma beka bi kwa se bi kro otumfo kra jisikadi
emi odu mesra wo
no me dabi mesra me ka me se me ama chiasan ɛno na wɔtu yɛfo no enti no kura da hɔ a ɛte sɛ wo confess asɛm ma yɛnka no kura memfa nsie sɛ menka ho wate aseɛ meka ho bi because ne yɛ nti asɛ bɔ wakyerɛkyerɛ yɛ mu sɛ asantema wɔ ne gyinabea dada asantema wɔ hɔ ansa na lumba wɔba enti na ɛnyɛ no nti ne yɛbɛka sesei deɛ meka wate masɛ papa na no akyerɛ me na me se yɛbɛba bɛkyɛ wadeɛ because yɛnim ne yɛkɔ so ani ebinom di sika sɛbesɛbe o me so mesrɛ meka ebinom di sika hyehyɛm ama baabi a no kura da ne yɛmpɛse yɛbɛka na sɛbe tafrakyɛ sɛ ne yere kura na ɔwale no awo ni nya ye ne ye twa nto so ni na gya mpo no aka wo yɛ simple ɛyɛ ntiaseɛ kɛkɛ na wo a wo yɛ second wo abra wo ase na mo yɛ selumba hwɛ baabi yɛ na ye na di kankaye ɛna na bu baabi na ba no ni refi mi ka ba na hyɛ hɔ ama no afunu ba akra wa pono a wo wukura no ho wɔ mfa so kyɛ lumba wo yi na wo kana ni refi ye nti maka hyɛ hɔ what you say lumba wa babo nyoma guess emema ma ye di tu ye hofo what mpacho utie di America no
but me tell say na amanfo obusa say wo di eye question na say eye di ayi
na bi me media ni say abusua pani kofi wusu no woni abusua na ndi ni ye ana wodi otumfo be frafra
me nutrient makan wi enti the final question obebusa no omusa
na na se busa o question bi wo wa na se only question bi ana nua no manka bi
na dia me pese me ka sesi ani se abusua pani oni right se onu kwatu mi kosie lumba without abusua for what am I say
there be a command na command the question it can ye
wo dey command
na okay say bibi kra na wo ya wo ni man panifo ani abusuafo ni nuanom na plan and especially ye wa brochire yi say ye bibi a ye sha time a ye di time no beba agbakokoshe ba abusuafo no esense na omusu enkrafo no mechanical odo ni dobro ni or whatever no omunim ni omusu yenti no by force na no omu ye bibia ntentem akosie no with that ye nyina yamfo ye ni ehunu because udi kan ka say anka wase ye di ni kokroti a ni ye di ni ko kyerɛkyerɛ no ni omu di nkra ni nyina amaso enti nana de ye hu so pani kofi wusu ya ye de ye tu na de so because the oye en wa nya ni ye oni abutua
yeah comfort yeah that's a part
na me that fina ko me ka sentia santima biom because what be kasa mamani agiye papa
yeah that's a part
me carry biom nti bra shada wo me frɛ wate but program
so finally comfort adia to me say waka omo medidi menhia atem waka ho pa na nkomo aye di no asesa no fiti na ekwe won kasa ntia menhia bi and this is the aim of the interview that we're having today with nana apia for so hene diaboa oye otumfo achempem jase abontin dom hene. This is the main aim and oye say oni betwetwe ho nkomo and at the end of the day no achieve bi ye nya akra no comfort sin nkomo no atona koma so fiti na ekwe won kasa ntia menhia bi ma me hwa de ye nua ba ko ha wagine kirache but Proud Asante so I want work as a men picking Proud Asante so I will see you. So was a picking. Proud Asante,
yeah, me share Abijafuna.
Never saw my voice, let's look at Grandma.
Me church Abijafuna.
Yeah, Josanna.
Na asemi ba Lukreni, me di ho yaw. Me di abusuaf. But di abusuaf pe ho yaw papa.
Answer the problem beba.
Answer the problem beba. Listen, we the questions. Why? Am I say there will be a problem? Maybe the question eba because me question is say me ka say so me so me economy me economy me fi kwamo me just kwamo na me free na won passe ebuso panyi timi ye sa nyamara semono me ti bi da na me hu ne pani so da me economy metimi aka metimi me say duo se so say me nana mo ekona ebusua a wo asatibem no emu kasisi omo na so
me fi kwamo the abusua panyin ayɛ no me hu bi da ɛna me tie bi so da
That's it. Proud. Yeah, that's a part. Yes, I did another to asemu because the so why now the end question now by now bachelor why doing not a favor team A and then team B. Now so what nana anu a wurem to say the or no all support to a certain faction. Already on oba say oba be neutral no aka haka and you say wutie no a sometimes you feel say wo kama na before na da wutie no a sometimes what say wo kama bi na afi A4 no so da because o neutral ti wo kambo ha no wa kambo ha but say wo ba na wo kasa ma nkomo no yet say we team A na why pleased too much na say wo kan wura na na enum nti o questions no a wo no o ye fa wo no na o question what to amana na directly na wa answer. Because I saw Bikini Pass 633, but I think that all more bad than you know, and your question they just want to satisfy one of my gifters. I don't know, I'm sure I am a gifter can say per lioness. My pick lioness, or I am a gifter can say per not mean to if I'm right. Lioness, yeah, my baba.
Me nua ma me jo so na me chia na so anyway. And some na ekoso bebre no. Nyina yetie mu bebre to da etimi bisa ye hu say me it got to a point me ka kire obi say papa yi na de lumba nsemi a ekoso. Eyama ntofo omo yama nkofo anya ye yo. Wo ye hu say edu ba bi no ensem ne call efikasie na ensem ne call ya na say wie ka bi na ase de sawo abonne de ye tete no na ase ebuya bam e wo ya sante sem ho but nena na asem na wa chechire mu no ama ase mate ensem bi ase
ate ye da ase
masem nyina ne se empanifo na nanom emfa wo nan ensi fom e wo niema bi ho na omun caution ebusuapani because more na ebusuapani ba bonten ebekeka say na just mention na metimi atume na ohiniba media so de na mo nchen nananom se no ebasa ema amanfo ebi mo ekasa tia menhia
that's it
that's
it lioness Mate, yeah, that's a pa lioness. Where me level, I think lioness is level 16 or 17 gifter. I have Monique. I am a level 19 gifter. Obi I am a gifter beyond me who level of my gift. I want me questions and answers. Let's watch me gifted at level 19. Monique, yeah, mwakaba.
Hello, King Ghana.
Yeah,
Nana, so funny. Nana, me chiao. Me wa question. Me pese mi bisa. Nana me pacho, what church ye mu said ya ebusuapani ye si no kwan ye fa so etu no ne ade. Me question ne say wo asante memu so obi a wa ha na otie na owo ebusuapani chechire nchire te say ebusuapani Tupac wo bully family members na apart from say ye betu ne fiso no edi nhihye ne da ho e wa asante memu se mutu ni faso a emra kwan bi nso wo ho a mutimi de ni faso e wa ahemfie ma ye ka nanimu ana ena the other thing na me pese mi bisa on se nana asante memu emma e wa asante memu nia majority aware no kwasem ye ma menom e kire yen amamre ni amane me pese mi bisa se support to ben ena ewo asante memu ewo ahemfo semu se asante ni baby ni tutuka ne nsem na se ohye ebusuapani bi te se Tupac wakoware wo fie bi semu a enhihye ye ben support to ben ena ye nananom eni ahema no ewo ho a mo betimi di ama oba bisa because ye kasenia example Mami akosua sewa
Monique everyone was
okay me pacho yenya ni general nti nhihye ben support ben ene da ho edima asantefo ma wo mu ewo ebusuapani bi o makoware wo ne busuam te say ebusuapani Tupac me das
okay yeah that's a Monique Monique question no Nana Monique say me sure something but that ocha me say na was more about me chire mu kakra. O say obi a what say ebusuapani Kofi Wusu na yetu na de so yetu na de so asotwe be na se menhia wo edman wachi ana say fa menhia is there anything menhia will do or have to do see yetu na de so and two ochire mu a wasi obi te say wakwa ware na ebusuapani ni na di te say de akosu ase wa ebusuapani ni nya abantai no and also no oba bi ko bibi say mu a is there anything I menhia betimi aya support oba bi sa these are the questions.
Okay, Minia, I'm saying, Mammy, dear, no more about to Mammy, dear, and I question. And
I question one more by now, what your madness are.
Now, measures here free, a penny, dear, and so on. A penny, before say, you bet me a punishment or something we will. Just what I said here, said Mammy. I mean, she and Ankasa, what I said Tiana, which is deep. I said, on cousin Tiano, now or the Nepal, no maybe a chrono or so, and you name me Angedia.
Oh, Chromo in a was a chinason.
Chromo in a bachinason. And answer what the Achami deem Bermunim shedding Berma. Or bet me as have a summer and no good woman share.
There's a Chromo in and chinason. The second thing is also some of my mentia. On some of them, I mentia and call that jurisdiction. Oh, I see. And number two, I mentia. You can't, you see. You didn't know quite in none of Fataye. And you may be out, what can I do to see? And then the sun can be your catcher mention. Paco swing the bit me the number mention say, or Bettina so. There won't be a one Paco so a Paco so in it. Ah, yeah, a young move between a moon and me and dear. Paco swing the bit me, I saw no any moon watching us. Nice, and I meant to Wasia, dear, you to Nintias here to do what he said. Mention, I had to say. Or no, the even said the Parliament House crap on one. Menchiabu, Obi Biara, Ahini said a decro said, dear Usha, or my Hinibiashi, not the Bomo Menchiano, or Buhinibia, Etino, sir, me, ever said me, I'm wo Kurami free moon. Kurami me free moon. Sami Kodi and some money war. Na etia men shampoo. Mikuro Mohino, Menchiabu, ni say, was so on the punishment Menchia. Sami Kuro Mohinin punishing me. Menchia will not descend down with the respect Mama Mikro Mohine say on take that decision. Say Mikro Mohine who say I can't go I mean to me as one. Or be can't copy say Mikro Mohine be sama me amano. Say Mikro Mohine sama me ma menchia then menchia Eddie blames in the two Mikro Mohine say on no feeling the responsibility. That is a pure respect. Menchia wa ma and I'm nice and the same wow.
Sir, baby so I will say. Or say second one no say or say oba or be ware dey.
Oba ware ya busuapani bi ye de say ye akosu say where you know so.
I will say it again. Me TA anything B. Me ncha dey bi wa. When and ye that the Lumba a first wife.
I know they omu chemo see ma me akosu say.
On mute lady no na me person na
Ipacho
one year that the Lumba a first wife.
Ipacho mami akosu say wa.
Okay. And second wife or
Me pacho ni second wife.
According to court, the court to say we declare man me me person me
meba.
King Ghana meba. Me pacho.
I will say mami akosa nko anu aware no.
Me pacho as per marriage certificate yenya yetia brochira yehu German marriage certificate no. Mami akosa se wanko ana ordinance no emremu ema no eye oyere.
Na your friend say other lady na e ba Ghana ntintan so say one no enso aware no ono so ye hwan.
Me pacho say ye ko emremu a ordinance no ema ho kwan se utimi ko ware oba foforo bia kasa oba ne ho.
One Lumba ne bobra.
Me pacho assistance according to emremu ordinance no eye mami akosu asewa.
Na second lady na no mo bondi no only Lumba e bobra na so ne na mobra.
Me pacho no de min to min kire eno na brochire ya anase ye be friend say or ye baby mama.
Neba. Na ono ne de no ntimi nkire de na hu se mami akosu a one na bobra.
Me pacho as per marriage certificate a ye hu ye no e kire se ono pe na ye ne yere. Enti wo memi nti asem wo emremu no eye mami akosu ase wa pe no ne na bobra.
Me pacho wo ya busuani.
Menya busuani me pacho marriage certificate e be da social media me ye nia ye hu ye eno na me ka ho asem.
na ken de meka ne se woni maame akosua ene bo bra o oni ba ko ne bo bra o other lady no ne bo bra o but yeah okay what say you look at it and say Lumba will ene be re
The best justify bibia.
e be speak am you say okay Lumba ene e be ma ene o se wo wu a na chi yemfa we ma we
Let's say apart from the word what be can bibia na you abusu asem. Na mentia say de Lumba abobra yi na wabonyo wa etuo ntwa dama santehini. Entimi nyina so ma mentia enka bi because the youth of Asante is waiting for a response from mentia entimi nye bibiza.
That's how me can so dia obonum ma the organo other na president so or to wash any high e kwakura Lumba wu ye other na o ma mehwem ye na me say asem we mema yaba ho Lumba wu ye no I will say one meka biem misim ye neutral I will say ye hu eda Lumba wu
Okay, I was here who eda Lumba wu ye ana da bi o
ena ade ekun no
ana de ekun no.
if only some people say ade no ye did generate ma state no state ehwemu dia say na nke what ye no I will say nka ban ni investigation
Na ne who say at least was some man no nye mentia nko a.
Tama Lumba di wu na ade na kun Lumba na Lumba ye ya no na the body na emfa na ye de akosi sa me mu na wo sanka sabi aban ni buso ene menhie o
So
serve the nation
because the revenues and the tourist attraction, how the music call for the ball money passing mentia.
if I come again
Yeah, because the revenue so pulling my or mine because so people know na ekoto ton time so and tin time so sika e kwa e body nyina no ne ade no ye fra bibi Ghana music there wo musunya mfaso so they get a certain money on it mutimi di ma radios and TV so mu play you no they use some to pay some of the artists any other so general say the Ghana entertainment industry they earn from eye anumtofo edi ye ka enye sa sika ibuo ni atuo nyina enkomenja botum ko man no ho. And up to now, people still listen to Lumba song. Intini again go minor benefit. Me, dear me yawo, me, dear me yawo Lumba wood, and I me kakakra. Me be neutral. I am yawo Lumba woody muno. Pa. A Lumba pa yent me any state barrier. And no dear, I am yabisine. I am ya Lumba pa yent me any state barrier. Pa. Ah. Now everybody cry any state barrier. Everybody cry any state barrier. Lumba pa yan state barrier. Me jabisi ne. Benana, would you mean to us in your year banana? Was it saying, and maybe this I would just say one mobile day.
they say no me pese ye fire a man me nu na aton chen for now
Near her bush and
the more attack is going to be a bushapeni
so
your platform wo hemo yenjin tum say bushapeni it disappointed the family or ne family na ndi ye because I will say it again Ken any baby tell say be yes Christ kro wu ye no you need disciples or mayere I go share baby order
no
Lumba nye sebi anima na wo na ya cheche ntesa akoko nye de na kosie baby I was saying you mu kwa you build some small museum emano na nka
deserve more than even me. Anyuma wa bo obi ase pa.
Na nka echirima ne ba nye hu sese ni sei na obi ba ye friend Lumba oba be ye but I will say it again aban Yura John Mahama fan Nancy form. This are many people be back as near Shady Bay. On for Nancy
Nana. But Monique, Nana say what in penny for back as I heard your baby. Marriage in 70 old team can be some of the for now.
Martinana, me da say, no mum. Dear me person me kana and son and me see from ne say. Asante for man be brain, no ye pestella ye train says, Mobema you who support to qua. Modebema Emma or ma worry was Santi mem. Should in case say Obabi kotosa situation we moi, I him mani a him from was Santi mem. Mobe shaye ni a young crane, na young system any processor. So Obabi ko we ebushia penny be say ebushia moi. Obe baby obe ko na wako support. Nana me that's pa
That's
wo
it.
kwaso.
That's
Na
it.
me on
That's
shira.
it. Yeah, that's it for Monique. So that is Monique for you. Yeah, pick the next person. Nana will be home.
Ai man we wana obetumi apiki obi nso saba.
Yeah,
Ye tem president fan Nancy form. Oban bia ne dede wo ma emwa. On fan Nancy form. Number 1. On say obi o ye celebrity kese ma wo man no. Ah, wo ti o man na nkasa abonwom wo de titi wo ma abonwom. Oso bo ma man ni na.
The man you never heard the judgment.
Oso bo ma sebi impo yewura. On fan Nancy form. Na on hwehwe ba bia sebi that rumba nimu ewo na onje opa ene tinchina so okosie no woni kromo onye state barrier onfa emunu straight onfa nkyere the whole nation no onfa nkoto ba bia yesie etitimfo ewo the whole Ghana no
na ya ti ase asa na before obi foforo obi busa se na wan ne ni di nkomo yi nipa ni di nkomo yi eye Nana Apia Fosuhene Diabo a oye otumfo a champion jase abonte dom hene a yesi no earlier this year ade yesi Nana Akudwa and one thing about it that is very beautiful about Nakunya otumfo abama no ye mefe no though say oye a direct descendant from otumfo Opokware wonya the baby cro na no Opokware a otosumi no wonya the baby cro the direct descendant and you need it come one thing that is very beautiful about Nana and he is a young person and this akunye we amanwa na konwa no a de amano no he being young no obetin ase pa yi enti komo bi say no na betin ase na wona nana no adi nkomo adurachi ye betumi akọ invite all the other nana no mo wo ho ba nana no a they say amahine no aka no wo ni mire mahin enti hwa mpanifo hwe mu na wo say ye de abrante edi sa abonti doma konwa yi a edo so ya konwa am ye hwe so ma bo no foforo e wo menhia nana right akonya na fe no ma bo
ya born last year
so I'm sure say nana no nyansem no wo mo hwe mu hu ze yen generation we ye behia abonti dom hene and ye ka abonti dom hene so ana se eye akonya etra ba social media de so dede hu a ye dede etomu abonti demonstrations asantema ye ntiase asantema youth de ye si adwa nana we ne wose obi a otimi de wasem kohoda ka chedo na abonten dom ye gina ye wa abonten obi a ye si ye wa abonten ene ye so ti nwom no ye gina na se ye hina ye betimi enso ni na di nkomoni na wakochiechie mu afọ ye komase abo akwa adam so akwa kopie mu achampem konwa no ana abusi otumfo enso enim se
correctional mi wo chidom
I see wo chidom mention chidom mate nana me for the next person me number 21 gifter me on say omo requested doors about level of gifters no one am dey pick on because omo na better show it do ha na so ani abie bebre now there won cha there da obo 20 am hu Queen Vera me level 21 gifter ma me fa Queen Vera na yetie Queen Vera na yeti Queen Vera me pick one more na na hema ma pick obada ama okay ba me pick another gifter ma me Regina na yentie the ono so ka Regina Fosu dana si wo gi questions nti nana ye ma me mano nsemusa no na ye content
meda second Ghana nana me mawadwo ja de nyankopon ase King Ghana de nyankopon de wadom ye da ase nyansani on se nyame ama wo hene mpo kese krata life so
nana no bi o ba mi agu o mo peba se papa
wo sale kula
ta ho
wo sale
nana de se mi hia bibi kakra bi da level no na me fredo o hwe
wo sale nana wadawo mo de enti a me wo so esi ye se de enti a maye abontenfo ye ni abra sabi nya ye ho ne toye ana ye ni djuma bi di na kire se lumba asem sabi o me fuma fa chame ebi e de ye twa apedi twa ese na de enti a maye ni abra ye kasa brebe nyina ye papa da de lumba me se ye hwede wa wasi aboa Ghana man ati asante maya nim ama ne din adru akire ne mpose papa yewu na ye twene sane abasa so ne papa emu a ye hu ne namu empo se wada ho ye hunamu ebiem ye se apa ye hu be ekosie papa ebiem kire se papa no ye mie nanim atu na abusuafo a moye mampanifo a ya asantefo maamefo a omoye mampanifo a sabi nke emuda wa ekiyesoma mampanifo ene koma kohwa mu no se de mu na sia ye wosida na tina bia mu no wo mu nyina ehu amu no enu nti na ba sala ma sabi aham maamefo mpanifo na ma ye wa akire no akaye
ye ma me Regina
ama presi ye
ye se ye musa se eye musa na obusa na
enti me ye stressing ka asanteman ayem panifo amu mu no mo na mo kabie wo mu enti ka mo nka sanfra busua panyini na ka mo nya mu ni fanya dai emma yen
ye ma me nana ayi anu dada do ene na unya mai sa nsem we yi anu dada
ene na me nya mai
ai lumba mu ni se ehun nsem busua panyin nsem no nana yi anu dada beto be se yi anu tu de busa obi yi anu
so me na me ni ho enti no sabane sasa papa no ye ntimi anye na mu no amfansi wa ma santeman na ka be bisa me paache wo awota ka lumba krafu no enka lumba mu na timi mizum bi ma no na nasima wo ka sebe no kure awota ka lumba bi timi museum na kenchima de kai no ni nyina ya ama ne saa na na betena ho ama sebe di baba ko pe selfish interest intino lumba mu abaya basa etena mo yesra mo sorry ama yesu yanke anu ntum
yate
ye de ba asanteman yese bu asanteman yese bu sikade kofi ye dono yesu mu no awu etimu mpage mo emu maye yesu confidence ne kese wo mo so ana mpacha ma no asipia
ye dase pa na the same bisa no enso eno no
ye tie ne se sabi Bible say boko ma kuma ye den eto me ka to so say me se me wa for neutral ni team anything do but the me can say justice be a sefata for lumba bia no ye behwe na mpenifo nso to na mo because udi duru ba bia na ya koye say de ekoso ma lumba kra no koye sabi tabu ye ka tabu kra ne de ya koye eti wode kakra sebi owo abusua se lumba ni abusua kra na even untimi nkoto ne nchini sebi eposo kwa ya den se wo de be ba sebi ofiri ni biem ene koye no wasa ba ni biem na nko kroni ni na timi ahwe no na nka ye fefe but the way amanfo si bo asante nsombo no ena ko sa ade bi na ye ya ade bi e be ma o makoma ato mo yam na
ena bibia ye kama
yeti omonka o makoma nto mo yam ye sefata bia no o se lumba be bia o deserve se nifunu ekokoshe bia no o se ye hwena benefits
ya te na me hem prior so sky me nua wagina chache me nua se mi sabe na so wo mana na yeti o
ken mamenchia mu na men damase onena na oboduma pa na eja yen yakufri prior so na yeja no mo so ye dwabenfo eye anu na me papa firi osan ye busuan pani no eba ne sa na ase ogu abusuan pani for animal asentina ya na ha adwin bebre ma se mbusa pa ene se ebra na rimba toye mpacho a ode emu no ebisi eye stadium na okaso wo ye yi no mpacho enfunso bia ni hu se ebra efun adaka no besi ho no enti me pese me buta na se na manhia ntimi mfrɛ abusuan pani emusa ne se enti so na efunu da adaka ni mu ana se na efunu na adaka ni because sa na efunu namu dia ana se emu namu dia na efa baabi no me soso me nkola adwen ene se na yesa na etia emra because ugu asase no animu ase ugu asase ni ehu fi.
Every sky. We no na na yin anu dada o. Won say eba we no na na di ka tie mu say pakoso jurisdiction na wohu ni say bibia atwa ya ka menhia hwe nanim say onfa meto menhia anim. So hu go mu na wo de hyekan ni lumba. Na tie mu sa.
Unsa sky me ka kakra bia ka sky de no. Unsa one ebusuapani kra no sabio me na sure say eye no hye da tren no se menhia eyi.
Ana wansa anse menhia mpo. Aha.
Me sure say menhia nkasa hemfofo ni bitimi yere enya akonya bai. Na empo baby awo kan ya ama me ye mo concern say se omo hye na emu no ode beto wo no. Na mu nkra say body guys ni a police for ejina wo no wo be de kra de wani
ya wafo enti
so omo hye ana so obi wo evidence e kire say
na obi ndemu a mun sabiti ni nyina to menhia
obi na omo hye na say emu na na da wo na nye numba dia na echi wo de kase pa na sabio ebusuapede no de aka santaman ko so ntimi ko obi mu say wo de ba be ye sabio emu for lumba now dia etia asantaman e no aha
okay minia sky what you accept na say
Ken Matthias na emu ma men kan kakra ansa na mako on se obekọ akofa obi mu e de ba wo hwe time na emu no be san free eye Kumasi asan ko Accra amanse akosie no emu owrem pa nti no mesre nana mososo monfa mo ani ntutu fom na monfa mo asonto fom
me de nyam ne se obi an kasenti ya
se ani asemai de edamakoma so se ne kem ya na tebia wuta kan
nsuo twa
se asante enim begu asisa na omode manhia enim ayefa
ya tie dua ya dasi in price sky video that's why
ya mo fama nananom na enye fa was nananom ni wa ye ntimi nya hwe o mo mi mfa nto ye trimu sa na mabama bu asantema mu ne sa no na emwa
ma me peke me level 19 gifter me level 19 gifter your friend no season dey on use for TikTok your friend no season me level 19 gifter season ye mo akwa banana ima
Mpacho meje moso mechia munyina mepacho masem ba akopena mepese bibusa na mepacho na asem masem ne se ebusia panyini ye tuna eye ma panyini wo fie ne tuno ana se ese nana otumfo na ese tuno mepacho
Nana answer this question but I'm sure he will answer it
next be achiame na wo tuno se bi wan so aprem wan so poponso man so anti no nyem friend onye ohene o ye just say ye na appointed wo bisiem so o meda ya no enti se o te bisiem so no abaye bisuapani na wo ya ade bi ede se bi nsuo beba bisiem bi a ntempa ya wo se o mu keka nyoma ti ani no o mu wo wo ti ko ma wo bia we nya ade wo se ye mani she mu ne ye kaseti ya menhia ne ade enti enye atiam na wo so obetu
because when you answer atiam one so supposed to be oyo
Ninsema egu a wodi ne bi ne sabi abusuapani die we. Ko wada roma.
Me pacho yo nana ne mpacho ne me se ne sen nana no ma mo asante mine se kebe ya me na egu fom srem se mo be frɛ no ma hwɛ se de abusuapani ye ne efa ba bi ogu asante mine anim ase na ekwas egu ogu asante mine anim ase ne so ekɔ wiase afa na nyina empo omo mo mfiri asante mine ma na so mo nye Ghana fo mpo hwɛ we mu nyina bi na se de esi gigi asante man ho esitie na ye bema nipa ba akopɛ na odi esan abesan asante man na odi kasafi ni niema basa abesa asante man de mesrɛ meka me na agufom munhwa ho nya bi hu bibi maye na eya ye ano ya ye de mesrɛ nana munhwa na munye hu bibi maye
ya tisisi okay but as for season nana eyi na no kama wie me fan you can say fan na obi o tan hwe me TikTok ko che me say lady we friend Georgina or a fan I ti my main fan me nim no bad that is what TikTok is telling me say girl we here King Ghana fan your friend Georgina or say Georgina e mo akwa ba
yo mini abema me maju nana wadaroma onana me chia pa
nana jo so Georgina TikTok for so tan hwe me pa ya ba
no crapa can me do what
That's
24/7.
that's
Nana wada Roma, we dear, onana mesra kasaka kra. Ade a asem we ba yin ya di ya bebre se be dodo na so etwe akyeme ebe mu. Na yin na ya kwaya asante ade hie yi. Na ensem yi ekosei nana wada Roma. Ade a papa yi ye nana ye ofa busuya pania ye die. Em say asante memu die bi nhye dan si sada. Minim no kra no pa se akyeme ntimi mewura mu saa. Nanso wakoye pani kese a wada ya no die. Okasa ba bia ye din. Ti wada Roma, we die dwan to awo. Sisa meni opani bi so kasa wo menhia. Se de wo kan ya na wono so ye de eka.
okay.
Ya ti se ye kaseti aye na mo a. Na yakoma nyina ye ya. Na wada Roma, we die yesre wani die kasa. Fa wona si fom. Na die ese na se no ense. Na sebe ya sante ye na nam ka se train kan ke se ata abontin fofo e ma me fa nko.
E me fa ngodi e de
na we de wani die mu ara. Mesre biem enye wo so wani die kwan so. Mo fa de da ento. Fi se ade a papa ya ye die. Sabi mi firi kokofu. Enye nche me kire machi a wonim pa. Ebi nsi da wodi musuo ne eno me aba beke ko papa. Eti emra de se ne fata bia na wada Roma. E wo se mo ne ebusuan pani. Eche de ese eda.
Yeah, that's Regina.
That's it.
So that is Regina so na nsem za onu so wo se na wo be se de wo kan nyina wate ase na onu so ye de hie na wo tiri nyina ase de so be hye se momfa mo nan si fom na kakra mo betimi aya aboa no monye emwa na bibia so ntimi nye kama. This conversation that we having, there were a lot of Asantes who went even live on and I'm missing them get to and ya me be catch o mo say hwe no ma mo nkomo na ntra gosi be chi enye sa be fa o mo na wo bodi be see TikTok live na twa mu twa na de ya series say me no mo ma TikTok live no mu twa bo me so dey am TikTok live this intimate de o mo ka fa ho na mabua won inti ene e ba akutwa masu mu ana ma be bua won because you see, this issue has become a problem in the Asante youth. Currently, there were a lot of people they thought, say, everything decision that is supposed to calm this issue is supposed to come directly from Menchia. And so they even fought me. That is about a month ago. So I may make us any concern Menchia. But today you've educated us enough. I'm here to say the jurisdictions, Pacoso and I was worker and Menchia. And if we want this conversation to enter Menchia, was what the Menchia. So at the end of the day, we understand the conversation. Say, any Menchia will problem on it said sorry, one a Bushampanian will problem unsolve it. So one team solve it now on team cancer now on fast 7 Menchia. When yet to me some Bushampanian Menchia there, then Menchia can talk about this issue, Menchia can enter this situation. But before Pacosin will do that, we shouldn't expect Menchia because we shouldn't expect Menchia to talk about this issue or enter this issue because Menchia respect the jurisdictions of Nananumu Nasina. Menchia too many cat Nanu Jimanes will move Pacosin or Bobia or Senasibia. And so Menchia waits, say Pacosin will take those decisions, not Bibianso Edwin. I come obviously he is sick. Well, Intina Atanankonia can when she had Jatanankonia. Now let's see the next person. Level 5. Level 5 gifter. Mama picking a Omar. Level 5 gifter. Wow. I mean, this are levels now, but I think say no choice or a pure gifter. But me find on number. Omar me picking what I'm about. And I think the next person, level 21. Level 21. Vera, some picking one more castle. Anna, I think some picking Vera Manakasa. I'm picking Vera. Now, me and fat Misty a Gina Chirache. Na ye tie Misty Zemisabe na woman na
Kenga na me da was ne opportunity ada ma me ma wo la no so kakra
me hu pa we top 5 US here.
Yes na na submission odi ama nyina no ma follow no de no kan nyina metnya abotetie ni yi na ya da santema asese nya young person ya dina ma se o ma me hwa bonte so na de ekoso no wontimi ni anim na se si ya na submission de be na de menti ase bi ni ene nsem bi oka ya maintenance em sana na follow
this
Bloomberg
issue
nsem ya
no
ase nyina no of follow ni nyina enti ase yie enti e fa ba bi no min blame no se okotu okasa ansem no de di kan o se abusuapani to park efa aye ne hihye no ho ese so mkoye postmortem na omuhu de kun lumba ene ya baako 2 wose wansa amabrempoma na abusuafo no akwanya se omu konkon postmortem na omu fa matudwa yen komra ne de ebesi nyina no abusuapani afa amamre kwaso e na de nyina pepepe na mebusa wo se postmortem asema na wo kan abusuapani omakoye postmortem report ne wo ho omo mpenhu ye no mu ni achi so mekwa hwe akira kwa no mu e wo ho wa abusuafo no ho brempoma no no e ba ye no wo se postmate no makwa akoye no wonti ase nti ono abekwa akoye wo no bekwa akoye ne de abusuapani ma no ho akwanya so won konkoye ne de e ma date ya ye de hye ne tu e de hye da foforo na busa se adenti na brempoma akwa akoye ne postmate ma fa report na ma to me se abusuapani anyina mu ahwe se lumba ye besie no ama na chi ensensem bibisi ansa amepie mu a wunua enka meka menu mienu se lumba funu nke be da ho no be 10 years na esa eka ne se de bia ka se foforo be saba opportunity bia other party ni benya bia and they had those opportunity but they failed to utilize it opportunity bia legal wife ne brempoma ene immediate family ni pese omunya bia abusuapani di ma wo mo na nya abusuapani pene se ema mienu na fanu no wejina ha wo candidate wo banim nyina se ye nyina ye nkamum ni ye nhwe se besie kwadwo na kire kama kora ankoba nsa ana brempoma e di asem ne court woni maame akoso ase wade asem ne court opportunity bia esese brempoma enya efani nua postmate ni oni nua no hihye bia abusuapani di ma but wantimi anye
say what would be the question that you have for Nana Karen?
Me dear me person Nana me ni question man but me contribution is Nana dear person who ni say dear woka say abusuapani tu o matu no ne kwaso no de anim guase abre na busua no to me ni me ne wonya adwene wo ho me ne wonya adwene ho ana kwa mafa so matu abusuapani nya asante amamre kwaso no se bi mpraduasa pa koso hina wote akunya so no se no hododo na se woni ho mpo a ye wo fokutire wo ho ma me fo mpanimfo na omode abusuapani si akunya no so no se wo hene no ho emfa no na so muntimi report no mo na ma me fo mpanimfo betima report ntu fekutire no na fekutire na frɛ abusuapani na omne na tena se akasa busa wo so o ma yesa na mani nyina
Ken meba
wo frɛ ni pa no ba
Risi Nana si ya bo
Nana wada Roma ma wala online o submit this na matie ni nyina ma me 1 minute
meba why you 1 minute I was correcting no
was correcting Misty
tobo oni ohina na panimu kasa no matter how say me abo from me yedi yo niti akunya so en kabitan chire panimu bi a woti akunya so na so yo ohine say oni ni nya adwene wo nanim da e ba to what
Nana okasa me no nya adwene ade cheche mu de ntia wo pesa ma me nkase me no nya adwene
ten drop no esa de nyoma bebre beba.
We are not going to entertain anybody because listen, this platform we have built it for a very long time, and this is not the first time Nana Mubi about platform iso. Sometimes it hana Nana be a craft from Mensiana or the video ni church and sample Mensia na a beautiful. Sometimes na my shock say
hey, nobody dementia for not more the obasono or your sangrophone be any
Mr. So oba ho na aye any day kwaso. Sometimes you know your generation no we've been raised from a certain generation. They believe this age and a casa, but we are not in that era. It is an anonymous to be back when you can say, we give that maximum respect, to the person. We don't have to be competitive with another. Now, sadly, everything I got up to now, ain't being your president or your young person because you're doing so you're young with your cry or no compare man at so no the Sikana Rod Ross. Or more respected the generation now, young one, because you're more fake a crack. So it's our generation of believing in age and sign the respect of mama. Very bad. Let's say maybe why I'm out for blaming me say me support to Akosia say Odobro neither. I'm out for blaming me say me support to Akosia say one soda. A lot of accusations that I've gone through, but I still do what I do because I know say I stand always to be neutral. And nobody now was in fire we. I didn't see once I have a video back. Now me fire we. Why do I do that? Because I stand to be neutral. I'm out for TikTok live from whom be a dimatem Akosia say welcome. Odobro ni come. Omumi any dimatem. But at the end of the day, almost say me now almost say me to know. I did better almost say me came. Now you kill a castle or castle or castle. Now me what time can I be pecking as I stand always to be neutral. Me check my game. What did I make it? So if we have Obi Amusu say mention Kebi. Now finally we have somebody to listen to you. You have the opportunity to tell the person your problem, and you are disrespecting the person. Then the mindset na that bonte some pamu cassette ya mention mu wa den. It's a person with children when him say no correct.
Wadarumo me ya sorry say me broko ano na me pese ebusuafo kakra mo teso. Ehu maybe di blame me. Sabi mintimi metana no biara na ebia mafama uko de ho abu akwa me na me ko ni na continue ebu akwa na oba achampem chidoma me na me yo omabonti dom hene
Zuo edi wa wo position eguta dada ya bu akwa nyina
na enti oba na obetoto ensem bia
na konti ne wo bu akwa ho
ai ebu akwa ono
ebu akwa kakraka we nyina wono na ye krontin na eba se eba eye eyi so a achempem so a abontin dom nyina hene ma otumfo na ekase. And if you come here and obi se nana fanboy mu bebre mu ngai nana we na mama nka mu abakwase magwa ba him and you be sure mu be kai me bia na twini Jonas and suspect otumfo pa menhia no na bi no a otwa plane ko hwehwe okotwehwe twini Jonas wa America okupe ohu twini Jonas no a obusa twini Jonas say adan na wo didi otumfo atema twini Jonas chetre mu a na eyi na tare kakra twini Jonas says na tuo se wo ho wo be kai sa video no na wei ana twini Jonas hu se tuo se no ho ana wo tiatie mu video mu se na tuo se ho no ni wa wo no a enti wo djuba to onye sawati oba Africa ni tuo se no enti na mu hwehwe mu no ono na beti generation yesi adwen nya wo no se bi na wo no ti ase mumu nim na ono na twini Jonas hu no na wo ti ase na tuo se ho ono you don't remember na I believe that this position I dey man no ono na beti ase ye generation ya adwen nya he so obi kura ba life ne so be che na adwaje na enti ono na beti ase ye de man kokra fo na go mo ti ase ti men say when you come here then you show the maximum respect. I was all the man and na bibia so et me come on me am picking the next person now. I think sir top 5 viewers. Comfort. This Comfort has been here. Comfort has been here and fun. Sika mame piki sika. Esi sika enzo lady the king Ghana ho pa king Ghana pa sika. I don't know if said that is true. But na mo akwa ba etiu.
Na me chao. Na se generation abedi emu odin o.
Ebemre.
La ka obi awu de ke famanhia ho ban. Amanhia so amanhia so bebe o we dan amanhia so.
Hey, ke famanhia eja wo mo so dia no ntu mo hese manhia nka bi so eja wo ya mo he manhia di.
Ade ba ko say yen nyina ye trust sometimes ye be educating kofo bi. Me no ade ba ko me pen say sa situation wa ban no amanfo afa ho epese omudidi ayi or chami atem any ahimfi atem what does here me di da osikadwa yi da ho for purpose to defend my sandesem what does here It is a me nipa bia or yes bia I fought against it. Now my question me busa and say me buta some vital questions be say asante amam no bema wo ho kwa so ware do do say.
Originally, actually, our Arabian Kappa, unya ba could be a woko. Bible knows that. It told me because Solomon. But actually, Yana Nanam, and I told you follow the Bible. No, at your pan. So, who goes on India, whatever, who you didn't get the idea. And who ordinary person and found got to know.
Eh, Bible ka Dana.
Indeed, a addition was a youth in yet.
Yes, yeah.
But you because Nina Mimbremo, I'm not ready for no so yet the cost of it. First, yes, maybe social studies, Ken, and I understand.
Social studies, any religious and moral education.
That's no, a poor, that's a coin, a poor, Obri a boa coin. In German, by the time when you know what you make, Bruno.
What doing that? Nana, I never quite my car better books and say, ya cast or baby in Bema Abra. Sir, and my meaning, ya back on in the stati, it could be baby. What I say for ya cast from maybe 1980 something to maybe out there for the late 80s and I say be early 90s to 2000s. Any day on it back also extra 17 years, sir. Uhe time on mutan ni na o da say bema wire for no ono time ni na udim say obi an ne tra equally and e bi kwa bia enye difference bia sa e dey kasa oba ne bema abra e do ne start ya na say do ni wie ye na
medasi asem we na mpese de bawo king Ghana eyi ni mo na me pese eno ade no ba e wi aso obi an fam to na adwene mu say isi so na pese o warrior opa wo ne ni be ti abrabo no so eni na ware no woni ne bobra opakura na woni dan anasa wo dan na ne shase ye na kusi dan mo to cars ni ade a na even entokwa se kura na ukofa oba ba ko kanwa upo yo ne shase ye no ono na o sweat no oni ne sweat inti you never disappointed.
Yes.
If you Sabi, Mamma Cosia, the account, not some American. Oh, no, first person. Who are Jeopardy when you be a man side or whatever. You need the first person.
Yes.
Was sweaty now. He was the first person who push you back. Young from 3 months. If you are coming, that's all the second wife, no many people. With your manner.
Free education, you will say questions about. I one vital question I'm going to say, I see you say, no, what I say, made a opinion, maybe there will be some minimum, be very careful the way I bring him out. Said be a maybe no a deep in that term. Nana, Nana, time I started to make you submission. Who make you submission be that managing or pass, who you neutral. Unless say be a nipper who are was some be a can maybe on pet. What started, you know, Nana Messameka. Maybe me disagree a little bit what now worker. But later now work on all get it on Minya closer that worker. So you need to be a me imagine no man can free man no. Me person me was the what started maybe an econo. But later I'm was okay. This what point up person and but problem I what a name mabudu na balance so be kasa. Yem person ombe amana kasa wi.
We just think and we just classify the statement.
What I say? Timeno na that's not kasa me ma joke mami wi answer. Edi nana one question me person busa say you say no almost about two abusa panyin no. You say no abusa omoto abusa panyin no. You say no say akamam ne no what next. You say number ne be say tuni funu na ba bi ma say ye wofra na.
They say no lumba emu no ene we want Mrs. Different SPC in India. What there when America I will still be a leader. The make I made to one. I know my papa and them again. The make one of Nana said o kura free so na ni nyama na lumba you could see na and I can appoint to say the man kura me sure say emu no omode besi wo no omani fit me nipa
Okay.
me to me no me watch any man but then I make an I'll be neutral, I'll be middle.
Okay.
Na sense of confusion ma. Me no sure say ne man no mo abroche no. Omutimi who is inside this thing, the casket. They
Yeah.
did it.
Yeah.
Enti the be na say ni nyaba ye nyaba o. Moja ye moja. Yenyi neutral people omo abontrene sinchen. Te nyaba ase went me ewu ni nyaba ma no be de na kosie ne bondwo so dia. Na mmerwafo a wofie abrewatia ene sabi kokorafo wofie se omo nso ade abusuapani ye omo ne njo dia action bi e be take dia no me mo dipin me to me no
Yeah. Nana me question back so me busan say. Nana
sika o kwase no betumi ama we last na obi so
oh,
butan.
last one. Na dem na dem me tumi sama kra den. Is it something for Jaka sa? And then I first of all, you ever cast a change. The last question I catch my son say, yeah, come on, no. Me say, be wrong and not correct me. Others say, because we more than me. Maybe to say, Ninia Bar, Bempomano, and Fanny see as a bar penny fee, but rather no Uchusu side. That's where genesis of half of the problem is starting here. Because as I'm seeing and minimum come on say no. I was like about paying no 8 million catcher say more mammy no said and another say I was a bush now and the assembly and the man is been changed. I will have one as the general. About paying and like I say, me mamu a mammy no win and me be many massy. But rather no the genesis of everything or to side say oko A and now could be. Nana my wrong upon my zone.
also at the end of the air say
I can't know now maybe to that from
lumba a year no lumba ewu no to finalize everything and to any nyoma bebre ko wrong both side na obia ye mistake. It doesn't matter say lumba the blomuko see no m1 afani na mu ye mistake obia ntimi amfa amamla ne amane kwa so either team A or team B obia ntimi enti last meeting the be answer abusia pani nso be yere e be fa na adwene atua form so sa na ade no ye nanka na omo etitufuo bi asebio omunim du amamla ne amane a kebu kranka abusia pani no me ne so san ko betimi etwitwa fa omo so rough sa ba hu say ebia brempoma aba oti say ni say o say ebia ni dream cross who are you me ye de me so enti dia me de me ka na ma beti say misremo muma tumbu mla asantumai ya titi esosiri we we attack here lumba nso ye we nso emeye bed into yeso ebida esa why atia me wona baby akura na sabi e pasa na odi ahwo enti misre e wona de ni atia me mfrim sabi sika no na minia be man so question obusa me no idi bibia kwaso pem me ne mpanifo nso bedi hu nkomo na yehu de wi a lumba issue we say ni beti ya solve afa
Mate nana ene na di nkomo bebre and se ka se ye peke a the number of people omugu achi no it keeps coming a pilot 5 opiki omu wi na sa pilot 5 opiki omu ya na pilot 8 na pilot 10 it keeps pilot
what pick the last two me ma chance pick the last two bi na ja
Mate that I say pick last two bi na randomly timi wine say ya wa be si uso no na ma pick so e be si obi so ye friend say akode e dey pick sa akode then ye wi I be san wine na the business ni picking randomly ya pick on our network na nya dia then we have to drop you za akode e mo akwa ba
yo Ghana ejemoso yedana na sepa ene afutuo ni akyerɛkyerɛ wode maye enyina no osi obi ade tu ne kotodwem no osia de efa ho no wankɔka sɛ ntia panimu bi ana wanya de bi mistake bi a asia mistake abɛya ye ka ho asɛmi na me question ba ko a mebusa ne sɛ abusia panyini ena papa ba ko yi papa ohini papa ba ko bi otaba TV so pa mo de ne betena UTV okasa bia wo se wa flip wa oni manhia akasa no wɔka asante amammerɛ bɛtɛ asɛm na wɔka no so no yɛn nyinaa yɛtumi hu sɛ asɛm na wɔka no ɛnyɛ saa na tie da bia ɔkasa bia nso a ɔde ahemfie din bam
papa bɛyi
ɔhene ba media na ɛno nso mesrɛ mu mompɛ ho asɛm nka because menyɛ sure sɛ manhyia yi ne sɛ ɔmmɛka asɛm bi ma no
ɔno nso yɛ ade a ɛhia because yɛantwe a obi ama no nso ɔde manhyia bɛyɛ kɛ na ɛdu asante animu ase sɛ ɔhene ba media yɛ ɔhene deɛ a that's fine but menim dibira ɔba wɔ manhyia hɔ media menim sɛ wɔyɛ blogger anaasɛ wabie ne station
ɔba manhyia yɛ a ɛno deɛ
ɔba manhyia but untimi ene sɛ manhyia na ɔba bɛtwitwa video na wogyina so take advantage asama na nanam kura ka asam kyerɛ wa yefra wo ntoma ye magina wo nka sɛ wode manhyia yɛ kɛ saa na yɛ saa na obi won so asam no wantini asiye na wato bomb na ɔde aba manhyia na akɔyɛ nsi na wɔn mɛhwɛ me ne mpanifo bɛkasa na saa no na ɛto atwa
what I know is that the only official page out Timmy Kasama mention a Royal Palace Multimedia and I said
any Oprimshaw Radio
Royal Palace Multimedia almost soon as I share the Palace View woman as I read the Palace View so me crash about or no now or her son no money now so and or no dear accredited by Menchia, if you know be cancer answer someone, then you believe it. But apart from Royal Palace, that is Royal View, I think Royal Palace View as a BBC, and the Royal Palace Multimedia, no, the Palace View in Royal Palace Multimedia, and other Oprimshaw Radio, no, Obi anywhere I was say directly, no, Menchia man no accreditation to say statement. This is a Menchia say. Obia obet china the platform so I can't answer we be no. Obwa na eja inhyire bi kra na aso yen so na sometimes it me fa omu videos ni bi. The last time I took a video from Oprimshaw Radio and I got a copyright issue with the video and I'm afraid otun for offers no ba ko na me to the nim say eja mama me copyright. Nya po chichichi mo sekin say this door we can do that to you. Na say ni esintia when you copyright. I'm paying so less than 38 hours. Copyright na minya and it wasn't a mere copyright copyright is in deleted content and yes best strike me. They took the copyright off my video. They took it off and me who copyright in it meaning say they have that potency to claim their content. Apart from them no obi enu a was in the content near accredited to Nigeria. Asa
okay ena
me about it muza
ena nana ye nyina ye nim se ye bra panyini ya waba ne app yi so a one wo twetwe nkoma ye nyina nya chance ne wo kase ye wo ye nua ye bra mpanifo bebre wo ho mo ka ne ho mo so ka asante ho asem si ya bia obi be ka manhia omo eso mo life e kasa e ma ye hu se omo di defend asante ebi ti se ye blay yana me refi ni din ono wo party ebia wo party e and minim se wo party ana se party bi bet se asem bi bana se omo kan na se omo na ye ma ye di manhia tem because omo nso wo followers ni mo ti se ye blay ya wa ba wo se ye neutral onka bi mawe bet ono no de no oba sa asem bi bat se ye mfa se ma yi so omo tu abusua panyini ono susu be eba be gina wonom no wokasa o kama yeti ase se ema ni ntimi ntu abusua panyini no se ne abusua panyini ka se agi se ye nananko na betimi atunu no ono so be kan the same thing se ye nananko na betimi atunu nti esa na ema no susu ama ema na o mo
se akode edu ne ya che mu se obi biara wo ka bibi biara no so wo ka for no anu a you will listen to the person's point of view no. So enye menhia na se won kan wono anasem no kan so for you to believe the person or not it depends on you. So I got what I say. So we beji nipa na se madi ana we beji na nipa no so edi abufu edi menhia atam. It depends on you. Wona we listener no ejina mo so. For you to be able to think for yourself say ani pay o ka say won kasa ma menhia nti ade na mi nkodi di menhia atam. So I got what I say.
Mati wase bra.
Nipa waka say won nyina menhia dim no waka sa an won kasa ma menhia nti ade na mi nkodi di menhia atam So for you to know the stand of the person who tells you said then any question me could dementia because nipa waka say on kasa emma mentia ebinum di dia hudo bebre na ato om so a om frɛ om te said dementia soma wo mentia sa asem we anana na anchechi mu no pa koso hene ne nana no mu atwa ne ho ehia atena konya ne was a cancer. Apart from that obi obeba begira bebia aka se mentia ase oboa de mentia ye ne nyina ehu bi se otumfo chiame bafo kantankranche ye woduom kwotena ase a woka ye ntankese ho asa. Nothing happens at twice be in relation to mentia. Now what I say ti twene ya yenti obi ama yanko kasentia mentia se abra enye ana wo mo di mentia tem ni nyina nso omo bebre na anim amamre ni amane. Some of them nso sika bi na wo mo pe just to go viral and get what they need. Ti omo kasentia mentia. Maybe gina hey metimi di mentia se mebu pay. You will be all one of the teams, and what me by life. Some of the teams need believe in the power bema. Or bet me be join the lives to be breaking sense. Some work can because so old team no. Work man. That this same person, one make us before I turn over cast answer me be or then I know better to room. This is the same person needing come on phone. Our chair me how I no say any parity. Yes, me keep your mobile. Nipa support to Odobro ni tail. Nipa no support to Odobro no friend before me kwa na me friend no ye di nkomo drachi a wono time so support to Odobro ni nipa no ti ase bi e ma nipa no cheche me mu die nti kura no a enye possible da say German certificate betimi akoga na ama akosu ase wedi bem oni pa no friend me ka ase me kire bi o afei be 2-3 weeks later mo on ma me wa say nipa no afei no nipa no ka asa kire me no o ka bia ma akosu ase wa o ka bia ma another team. So I was like, I thought say was standing neutral. But I feel choose sides. Up to now, I because me, I don't choose sides. Me, I believe in the tradition. I want a Bushian to solve their problem. When you get to Mensia can help them. But me, I cannot decide or choose a side. And I was expecting the same person to do that. Say ni part of catch me phone to support to Akosia Sewa direct. And I'm going to say what Kebia Makoto Sewa. I wouldn't be surprised. But the power any make us and was so supported team way. After a month later, supported team way. It's nipa besa. You know the response I'm later. The response I'm later, and they say, funny though. Yes, so Kasame team Akosia Sewa for now. Only a good with gift pa. Usika. Yes, so much in the now life in this one. Say, baby, Nesika when yano. And say, nipa way show side. You think say, I send Webema to Ekada. So, for the way I saw so much to Eka. Because almost is how. So, what did they make us say? And you know, there are person may come and question and say, Bebre Kuma Odobroni. Bebre Kuma Akosia Sewa. But Obia warriors are the way to do is because of Sikentia for their selfish interest. If they really respect the decisions of Nananom and Ebusuafo no a Ebusuafo nyo masem se omo tenase aka kora no a ade na apese ode camera kwesi so betena abontin ka bi sa agode otie dem again
meti de o kan pa bra
se ma me akosu ase wa ni lumba nya problem na se opese one Ebusuafo ko lumba ho a wo no a wo de camera ekosi wa betena TikTok no so aka ho asem na TikTok hanom na Ebusuafo so wo problem e fa ho bai. Because on this issue, near find say finally almost solve problem. They say Bushian penny quite chere. Baby, I will see a lumba. Say, say Bushian what jatum. Bushian penny at jatum. Now, I didn't will be a short TikTok live ADD Bushian penny at Tama. What do you say? Engania. Ain't you know TikTok no bois assemble and answer ha assemble.
TikTok say
you see what I'm saying? In the what I think say we are done say we should respect tradition, we should respect the family, we should respect decision that come from the family and tradition. And if you're able to respect that, that's when you will know say I say when you turn it to answer. Obi me cause obi me nyame, but I tell you where me can be actually say people I believe so more can be whatever team that you choose now is because of the omumenyentia. Obit me had any dementia term, not because of say what said I say or dementia term one I say Nani ji hu so di mentia te obi ebu mentia obi timi se da katakata ni di mentia te because onim se ebe satisfy team obi am obi ani age na nipa na che ne gift bebre nti odi atema akọ bi ohun lion a obi to odi mienu a ohun lion a obi to sa akọ na hu de me ba jero nti no
Who the all kind of
afa no obi di bebre because it ni insult no at the end of the day it is paying him or her and it is not helping this issue. And me
my
last
question me one man and say sisi na enkranfo no enkranfo ahemfofo no so esi omo pe busuafo no na ekwan omo fa so e de papa no koto ni fie ho no mu no omaka ho asem na yesa yi abusuapanyi omo yi abusuapanyi ne ya free so no omo wo ho kwan se abusuapanyi dada na wo so omo ne no eka ho asem na se abusuafo no omo kosia omo
say no the other say o mayi foforo dia foforo na waba no we take a lead either say obepe kwan bi so na either say busia penny we no no obeye case etia no police station kwa na then we just blah 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 na the sha ko da baby a busia na nje wa obetimi aye na busia penny no ebia new one na waba na asiki say onko chini baby a ne dishie lumbada to na se obami yetumu na obetimi yetu ejina nkran hene so baby okosie no obetimi akasa me mpem de hye no wa no because manfa the rules and the regulations so amfa nipa na ma mecha na man follow amamle ne amane na then so mbetu ase no metu no mo de na kwa kwhyitie sabi ne baby ombete omudi ni sie ntia no de abusia pani na waba foforo no se ampala say yes CBD no mu na age atomu dia on the better lead this time. What you say?
That what you say?
Matthias.
All right. Okay, it is what that's pa. So this, I think that this will be the last question for the day. Eti yebeja obia na foforo no. In case of any further details no. Yebesa babio. Yebeda na nasen so say onya amrema ye na obechiche isemu. Any other further question that you have, no, let me drop it, and that is in my DM. Minya bochela me go through na making Kambia. Now we had a question here enough for us to call Nana back again. Then we will find a day and call him back and answer those questions. Madam Assise Munina Mobile. Nana Obibia Obekan chat to na ye job more.
Me person me kasaka krabatem say guy back your friend Papa Christo while request science or for no 9 last one na.
Yeah, Chris, yeah, Papa Chris, yeah, it's true,
right? Okay, yeah, very good. Chris.
What did the church? Edu Crepa, Chris, and what banana, Fachem, why?
Yeah, Ken, Nana, Medas, I'm sure. Ken, Nana, the breakthrough, but me
Nana
Patoti Mikasa.
Yeah.
Aha. Me a breakthrough, but I'm the same met you make about over Santima or breakthrough, Yamamrene, the Dibrewa Santimenti. Yeah, a month for the Asantimai, a baby agro. Now, but my first question, and another room, Metia Buakami. The Buakwana, Kumasia Buakwa, every point in the one, I say, and if I Buakwa.
Kumasia Buakwa.
I don't have brim point in no.
That be every point.
Or every point in it. Oh, Buakwasi.
May say, may continue for Buakwa.
Me patron and idiom, one idiom Casampa to an idiom. Continue with Buakwa, it means that we are a Buakwa in every point. Yes, sir.
I'm a
son of Pessimist, I said, and somebody catch me, at the branch here. In my mamma and money, the phenomenon or my himasia and didn't account to me, better butchery. It's me, my mamma and money. And so that's how you continue a Buakwa, a brim pond, who said Buakwa, a Buakwa in us, who side a Buakwa in it.
There be that. Me son, me watch it. Which is
and what's right to 2 Street. Okay, the patronium. They can't be saying Busan say, Paco and Simba, call life be about my big night here was so mission. It's very good. It's 300 maybe the film. And the person Busa say, I'm a Santia Mamrim, say what a Kunyasa will start you 2 way. Now, Obusia Penina, O man pay for no. Without you, no. Abusia Penny, a very Abusia Penny. If I talk to the mission answer.
Dabi emu si abusuapanyin yɛ dɛn.
Sɛ mepache o nana ni die mu. Wo fi abusuapanyin because wo yɛ obrempɔn. Wo fi abusuapanyin. Na ube yi no ebia a man pay for beka se bia nana abusuapanyin we no we papa we pese ne yɛ abusuapanyin. Na wo agina tum sɛ ɔyɛ abusuapanyin. Na without sɛ wo bɛgye atum no ɔyɛ abusuapanyin.
Oh, tell me some question where you can.
Ya kabela na bi obepɛ sɛ obɛka bio.
Beka me yeah.
With that man, no, which is me na me young in my young to my opasa or say on your abusian penny and oh, say a dear abusia, simple abusia for a 4 wolf year diabetes many say on near abusia penny on peso or ye or dear abusian enemy. No, that's a mimi Ginny Tuma and one.
And I may say, me question is what I many dim.
Chris, Papa Chris, the lie, I think it's any data they had about me crowd what men your head and be busy.
Okay, me tonka, what I number say me do my me so hands free, number say me do hands free. So be abeti me kasari.
Okay, you nana.
What I
Ya ti dia wo ka Papa Chris, me to wase say. Say about say ohina wo krom wa anji busuapanyi ni antum a oye busuapanyi ni nyesa na wuza.
Ohini fie na oye busuapanyi sabe pepe.
Kakra me wo kra ansa na beja amanana ansa ne say. Abusuafo de si wo mu busuapanyi mi krom wo busua mi fi me busua mi firi me busuapanyi yesi no na krom ohini ni mu.
Any different from akunya entam na na example no.
Me ba nana me ba. Ye fa ne say mi fie ohine wo ho utie de making.
Very good.
Na say yesi abusuapanyi na eye no ma mienu. Abusuapanyi ni yesi na ansa na current because the time I yesi abusuapanyi no ohine wo ho me bo a. Ana ye fa ne say 2, 3, 5 years later no ana 20 years later abusuapanyi na ohine foforo na aba. But utie de making.
Yeah.
Iti ayo ohine foforo na wo wa ono beto mi say mi di abusuapanyi dada. Utie de making.
Sabe pepe.
Eberani two different situations. Say abusuafo tuma de so a abra eye ohim foforo na gi mi tu mu a da ohim foforo na waba no ono so wo final say not because of so your ohim or your final say because at this time no ono so abusuani patriote de weekend
ya be tipa
abusuapanya ko nyanya ohim na esi abusuapanya ni ye onsai edi se ohim owo obi kan de miminim no Tisa ono so ebusuani bia ono so fresh ebusuapani ni busuapani. But what you dey make am? It's at the end of the day no, o your hene dey bet so busuapani no.
Ta.
But what you dey make am? It's any dia obi a wo mabusuapani no, wo your hene o but
also dey any dia ma no, sa.
Wo so busuapani ni.
Ta. Entina ken pato.
Papa Chris, o dey ma mi o. Wo go nya busuapani na o muade a. Obetimi no wo hene no. Atwe papa. Because we move, but don't you make no. So one any feel say we to sa busuapanyi na de so a. Nya na we ni si busuapanyi akonwa so. Ti say busuafo nyina ka bom, we yi wo hini sem ne to nchen. Na ma act as a busua tu na de so. But don't you make no. To have a busuapanyi or not, enya ohini decision. Eye busua, ti ne ka na busua nya ahini epanyi busua sem.
Wadaroma, on say yesua de platform me follow pa like my show videos be brave. And I'm kind say me nko bia platform so case you know sebi lumba onye mbusuani lumba me kai Martin Suyeboa lumba Suyeboa station na me top petrol stove that was 2000 na me initial ma ko show London had 2 times busuani lumba onye mbusuani onye asante for but yesua no maybe ya asante amamre ne ya mane e na ye nyina yesua na ewa ha ide wani dem na me kai say me ya de branch because sebi wood ken otiase na etu no amamre nya mane no sebi mpreduasa na wani ma ye nyina yesua but na ni nim na mibusa ne say na wote akunya so because lumba me say lumba fie no akunya ho ebia wo abusuapan stop ai da bia no but omunyina ba be pie abusuapan ba akọ obeda omunyina no ono be general abusuapan na ono no be ye ohene no abusuapan ni nti according to lumba mu case no it means papa na omusomatu no so na ye lumba mabusuapan ni wo ye ohene no so abusuapan ni ena mibusa mo say mibusa na nanso say na ani demu say wo ye ohene na atakunya so na wo busuapan ni omu ema panfo ni no na wo confirm say wo ye abusuapan na without wo ohene na abusuapan ni obusuapan no without you no betu aka say abusuapani nya abusuapani na na what you question ate
Unsa Matthias se fa udru baby a
very good omu na eyi ahemfo nyina ne ayimu nya omu yi no mu de na akire sebi ani de na se ohene ni ho a emma mpanyimfo wo fie that's ohema yanka ne se ohema ika na oba panyini wo fie oba panyini wo fie no woni na busua panyini no ma consult emma mpanyimfo kakra mo wo fie no ma yi ohene no omu yi wiya no mo de tumi na ma wo ohene no to lead them as a ohene if you work say in case of any two abusua ni ma wo ohene no na omu report ma as a ken it is ohema no a mistake na ebetumi ayi na firi wa unless wo ohene wo ye den wo bem without wo ohene wo ni wa obi tumi emma mpanyimfo no wo firi ka say o ye ma me ohema aye no ma bi ehun hia nti atu na de so the same applies to
the explaining itself. That's what I answer.
But Chris, okay. I have to say what you were asking. You already answering yourself, and you expect
to answer. Na purchase say a man paying for 2 years. But lumba mu case no. According to what I have learned about it, say Pakuso Hinankasa is not involved. But another mission.
And no, can so make a statement you are saying. So when it comes to Abusuya Penia. Nanano, oyi ni sinchen no aba in the view of
nana ya busua no nyina nana ne diemu nana ne ya busua no nyina ati ekaba BBC fia busua pen na da no cheche na adehye mo da busua
na ekroni na so oda pakoso
oda onye busua pen
onye busua ni ya na oda ekroni nyina
oda me ba oni diemu busua pen na nim na adehye omu fra busua ni mu na you free ekrum so be ye ohende a obeda kuro ni nyina no na emu se BBC wo fie ho like say ohene na abusuapan issue say no na wo ohene na wo tie akonya ne so no se be mpeduasa oye wo fie abusuapan ni na emma mpanfo no fie ntumi nka se wo na onya we na emu ohene ya oye wo abusuapan matu ne so without say wo ohene no en confirm ye na aye varied some person say so ohene ne confirm ya is it varied?
And no, Papa, your answer was said, Tio, the Eka Wahao. We are this year, we are bringing
money, yeah.
Papa, we are bringing
I am for bear fast 5 with the same issue.
Papa, Papa,
me too.
Ufra him VA.
Yeah.
We are just what have exposed to other and him
a lot.
Good. And I'm sure so what the castle be said, me mativida. Me grow me. Say entokwesi ewo ebusiani wo no na odi akoto ohini ni especially se busiani na busiapani ni fra himfia ado firi be ebusia akonya omu a what ati bibi ti say ohini timi ga say waka che busiapani
yeah
mo amudi abe waka che busiapani
yeah
it tells you the respect ohini no wo ma busiapani
yeah
ohini nim say na konya wodi no odi ma ekuro ni nyina
yeah
then yeah akura wodi mu hine no ye wodi kuro na nkonya nketenkete sha na ase no busuapanyi no so na konya wodi a wensai wono kwani akonya wodi a wensai ene na busuapanyi
and yeah
so if you want to venture a jurisdiction ye busuapanyi responsibility a wodi buo ma busuapanyi maka che busuapanyi because in same way no amodi abetu manim ne nya mahini ensem na mum eye busuasem
yeah
but wotie me papa obuese wie na muyi na no se aya ka che busuapanyi na na timi go fede busuasem mo ka che busuapanyi ne no ka fa ho
yeah
Oji same way we nyina hansa no wonkomo bia oni abusuapanyi na tenase e show the respect na wo mabusuapanyi esa show say ni tumi nyina echi no o te se ono ohene no oyi ne hine sem firi mu a ofira busuam na wo je da beka no
nti pa bro
ohene hina odi nyina echi no se to de bi na so ohia nchiremu ni nyansa wo yi bi na konwa odi hu a wankọ ba ahema ho a na se busuapanyi wo ni fi okobusuapanyi wo na wo je da beka ba echi no say about the decision that involves a busuapanyi na we supposed to give the respect of that respect no ohini mpu wo ma busuapanyi the decision of say ya ja tun see two busuapanyi ana ye two busuapanyi say na ka so ke minyin to ma na say abusuani nyina 95% ka say ye mpa busuapanyi na ohini ka say me pa the ohini ni bedane ayet say minka ne brofo say bra minka ne say bra I saw in any baby somebody watch it to me to say or impose soon your own pet to a bushia. Akonya na odi ni amfa ma se bedi no abusuafo so if 95% of the family says you don't like this abusuape na aka say wo ye ohim nti na 40 year wo fra abusuani nti you don't permit see into abusuafo na abusuafo di betu da no because omo woro na ase mpabo ayo ohim biem papa wo ye ohim biem
me ti okay no
obi ntimi ntu ohim ade so ti se abusuafo ne tu ohim ade so omo na be woro na ase mpabo etu ade so eti se oyo ohim na be so ofo afofra ye mfa nko wa ubusua mu a wodi ohim because omo na de buy o ma na betimi sa ado akọ me bese me che baby abifiri ba me nana ya ha ewro ye kuro bo hine na ase mpabo am ye tu na de so ado
what can mate ma hu baby ofri what can several life ntam se me follow
udi baby abifiri eti nye bi na omudie omo ka ohine ne ya chinchirichi wo so ntie na me nana ni ho nti the next meeting omo tena ase na me nana betire mu hu am sa ya na aba no ene ye behwe you see ohine ne sha ate se wo ye de enjejeje wo mu ojire ne nai ba ko se na na se ono so hu na ase mpabo yi ye wura a obedi hini biem na wo de me pa je u se udi wakonya cha ye mfa wabufu osem no mfa nko busuape yi most of the busuape they have support papa and hini bia o ye hini papa bia o respecting busuape ni asem ba na e man so fa busuape ni woni se busuape ni wo connection wa busuani
because unya asem on you
na no so ye wura ne mpabo a
unya asem on you kwese busuape ni di wachi
e wo se bibia wo busuape ni di wachi
that's it
enti no o hina o ye hini papa no on my name own business so be na kunya odi won fa na
say na me busa say ken me pa chonte na busa say e bi na akopesi su say ohinu kwanya issue anfi a before san na yewura e be busa ohinu busa say obeso oyi ni fro busa say obusu panyin no we
even the first time omukwa mention
me ta say ntami busa say it is our ohinu na pakuso issue yi say pakuso ohinu emfa ne se bia mampanyin fo ni nyina agi atum but to me no kese komuma pakuso ohinu eye president of asema enoma ekoso no ni se pakuso ohinu ne ba out e be ka say oh ade na eye no me pakuso ohinu I'm not involved say mo ye busu panyin na si nchen me pese busa na say eye very say pakuso ohinu de na oso oni ho no ye gitum is it confirm establish say pakuso say bia fine ade na maye na mampanyin fo na say won pew o ma me kan chem o ko gina o ma ko gina ahimfio say ye tu na de so abra pakuso ohinu no emfa ne humrem ye gitum asante amamrem tem ka say asante amamrem na me kan ye gitum say busu panyin
me to ase be photo team say pakuso ohinu ni nso boat ye one e ba busuani mu a
oye but by say mo na magino enam ka say entam de ka say enya you say we ohina obeda busuane ne oman ni nyina no onye ohine emma busuane nkwa ye ma ono oman ni nyanti bibisi wo ofie wo na empo so wo branch bi kodi bone wo baabi na ekodi otumfo na say ohine bi panyi bi wa ofra wo ni wo busua panyini say odi hie we say ni say no abeye what I say on ka say ko abra ko
if you say papa what do me papa Chris me bejam how because the time that I have to do something is always it is summarizing in terms of
good na be say busa na say without say ohine no agi atum yetumi ka say abusuapa ni nya busuapa nyina na iko na so tekunya so
your friend say Chris your friend say abusuapa ni yesi ne na kwa na si na wona me address
e pato say
abusuapa ni yesi no na kwa na si no
no e man pay for na yi no say na e confirm ye without na confirmation onya busuapa ni without na confirmation e man pay for nso ntumi nyi without say na confirm a onya busuapa ni
Chris, it look like the overcome there. Who answer that?
Who answer? You want our answer to satisfy your point of view, Chris?
Yeah, you know, asante. Them guys say you sunya. Who is Midika Kasano?
Our answers to satisfy your view, your point of view. If your answers not satisfy your point of view, you will not agree with whatever we are saying.
That's all my look like.
No.
Chris, whatever you are saying, it is true. Whatever Chris you are saying is true. If say we shall penny ever two or hina or dia kujano, that's about the confirmation or hina kind of confirmation. No, never so to na dear swa. That's a bushyanity o hano one son beja wako. Say a bushanu bunana pa. They will say nananke bidia. Then we can make the final.
That's it.
I don't depend on Chris. Also that's because it is satisfy what you are looking for. It is satisfying it.
No. But say, "Sana, amamreni amanie."
Oh, I make say, amamreni amanie jina obuo kwaso. Chris, what you say? The NTA say, and the mebulu ni mu amamreni amanie, and the say, amamreni amanie. It's all about respect. Edi se okonya abusua omu ohene no a ohene no we 1 in 99 we 1% and abusua ne 99 ti okonya abusua omu nyina ase 99 ni nyina ase etu na de na ohene we twintwin atwansa me de mesi nu a chele wa hwe a wo nche o ti upo akonya no acha you have to support whatever that they are saying.
That's it. That's it.
A fact say amamre kwamu no ohene ma o betimi adi na say ohene se won ka bio ohene se won ka bio eno no when sa akonya no busua panyini na wodi ni adisiefo abusua mu a different but senya adisiefo abusua na abusua panyina abusua wodi ni nya adisiefo
And they send you know
yeah
no dey anytime guys say me di nana eni die nyese bia me nana enimu ye me di nana e de ne ye mfato se nana kunya se mpere se nana ni fie na wabeto se abusua panyini wo ho onye abusua panyini etu anamo ekoba na bia man panyinfo se abusua panya ye bibia enye omu isi omu yi na fi wo na
it depends on Papa it said it depends on the respect the family have for ohene no but ohene betimi delay the process because of ni tumi na wo de abepia abusua di mu no but abusua for na ta wo mu cha na so wo disrespect ohene asa
ebu okwana na net bibie na no ka se abna drowa a ono so ye oba pani aka
we dey wo hwe and
that's
it. That's it.
It is say no there. It all depends on respect the family have for.
That's it.
If they deny the respect, now some case some be walk over on no. Say what years of animonyama way nyina and na ntimi pa by force. Now the by force go for where the be 2 years. Me some your hene and I say we see me feel and I mean say 99% see ometu obi ade so a. For them poor, I won't join the conversation. I will just watch them to take their own decision. And one day, omunya problem no be between him. Na say regarding such issue, I make say, "Mutu busia penye mo be catch rebe."
Enti.
Chris, what would you be party?
No say people from no mama born and obe jatum.
One man mama ni enemy jitu ni say, and I make catch say whatever issue that will come later, no be catch me. I make no mistake so I just do say, "Where anyway now mo ye mo be catch rebe." Ti say na echi am nko na mko solve mo problem. What my say Chris?
Me tell you know,
if they really respect me, no means that me they are 1%, but they had to respect my 1%, and then I also respect their future judgment. But if they didn't respect my 1% and they thought so the majority vote, so they took whatever decision that they wanted to take. Fine, I won't hear it because if I hear it, in go for where the better to my dears or hine papa on calling for enemies, no nebushing man or he know him yansabia on calling for enemies, man. It is a 99% and pass over to a beer or any behind the quietness no means silence means concern. Whatever you want to do it. Me too, Gabanana.
Yam family, na Udi in Sensemechi Bebra. Yana want to be obeying. Now, they may
say, confirm but well, 99% of it a different issue.
Your secret honor my macano. But you may share some say. Wait mention name free na
Obi atro was here Obi atro say Asante Customs is all about vote and then the crowd payment share and abon says all about vote ti the American papa usu fra him fie but what him say everything even though two form kasevia is all about vote already na nanu matena nkonwa atwa no wansi adodo no be kan agatu ti wo ye ohina mpa na se busia panyi bi se pie wa busum na by vote dodo one say that means you supposed to go there. O silence no won kasa it means concern and ebusuan omo akukodu no that concern no they will push and overturn that ebusuan but they will take him off because you are silent and silence means concern. It means you support whatever they are doing. Uni bibi o bibi can don't be silent, just tell them what to think and do keep it silent. Ebusuan omo bu efu omo nim wo hene no ye wo to ti bi omo hu o abontinso for the bu anyo omo o. You see
something here. I didn't wake up on crown. You are out. A funny issue.
Way out of all this.
And you ran a didn't see here or bet to or no, also to media. You are wrong.
Oh, Simple doesn't have to come.
With your distant, your chief or don't grow. That's all. So, intimacy as Antifor said, you may have come and from. Then my disappoint was until you him for do matter when ye. And no money miss any into your command. Near to trade the train. Now what is a crap for woman? That's all.
Yate nana we dia me phone no me di besi chat kakra nya sa ebedum wo so na akwa ese mambu iti ni meja na Papa Chris the okay gira fitum ohini vote ye very necessary ba wo ya this ye na bia dati bi kura wo ubedi ade Chris
Oh no, but say can what's the issue? Amamre ni amani.
oh me da beto ase but Chris me we so asem ansa na se me phone dum dia fine wo ye ohini na BBC ato na 99% so mo tu obi ade so unko an waka sim se
Oh, Entempana me support me ma 90 me ba out. I'll come out. Then I'm telling them what them dika say. Yesu amamre ni amani. Enti amamre ni amamre was santimem say me ohini wo fie na abusua panyini me mabusua panyini. Me man pay for kaso mo mpena. Entempana I will support it. And I say ohini
and yes pay for so due manti o. Se panyini hu bibi. Na so due manti e mo pe bia mo.
A man report to ma ohini no. A man to be for mo pese o ye mpe no all right but you tu na de so da bi ese mo report ma ohene no amamre ne amane kwan so na ohene na frɛ edwa abone kwan edu e wo nyina manim se o e man penfo si we no
ma peja me mo why
we no
but nana si o baby
oh okay nana ne madam Maken
it's no ye be jam na ya peda foforo na any further education e wo no so no ya pe na ye dia nana we dia me phone dum dia be ka bibi etwa to da bi ye nya omonko
Jamaica kakra bi nse mesre me nananom eni me nuanom asantemai se ogusu do ye wrade a fanana mo so betie de obeka ment no so wo kire ye wrani ansa ana wo kire ehimfu nyansa ke ne se nko mo kodi asantema ma betena so no me nsa da se ye mo obi amfatu entwere de atwere na ye nhwe nananom de obeka lumba nsensem we na mention is out mention is out shenu bi anka se na dimension hwamo ma yesi ye nya ye ndintum ye hu se bisua pani ade oye no ene ne kwa so no na emre pam no bibia se fata so die bia no obe face with one own palaver but I'm not speaking say mention na be punish no one own palaver obe face to obia meto ntwere de etwere na odona
na ye da say
why
yeah that's about obi nchi na epe obi wo comment section na say the na get nso say mesra ma ware so kratis still na di je ho e wo javo ye ben crab obi ye lie the wo e wo comment na say wo check get say the osi feeling na get so chere say mesra ma ware tinchira kratis da bi photo no and deep ni so de na di je ho anga za mesra we should respect it where the count is all babies who are very necessary na say bi ya ni akotue mu a ya na mbema ya sa de do wetimi aha oba no a so wo mpena woni bro ya ti de pe wi mpo anke enfo mu nya hwie wi a na ese tuti wo edi mesre se wo bi si agrongo ha sikeja obwa wo si agrongo ka baya nka wo de bi wo ka za wa ware di agrongo a me wa Gomware di anka di your level. At the end of the day, you message your that video.
Kenwan, oh boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media. No style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, news in the bar. So you see commentary for home. We are so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also the Ebema. Other tribe a follow unyi sorted India temni that's how becano it's so painful I know shit I don't know say or commentary like or you as a presenter sports presenter that they are and we maybe I walk strength free debate it's all good oh yeah dear can one modern can one will try pa